Domestic Violence Act case. Then go down to the $9935 ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ರಿ? ಯಾವ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು? 9935 ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಾ?
So, pending or fresh? Tuesday. So, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾ? ಕೊಡಿ, ಅದು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡೇಟ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ. Wait. Am I not hearing? Yes. ಅದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದು ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. You are tagging along with? Yes. You're always tagged with him. All right. Yes. Hashtag. All right. Why? ಸರ್ಚ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಆಯ್ತು ತೊಳಿ. ವೈಟ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ? You serve it on the ED's council, whoever it is. Yes. MP MLA da ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಕೊಡಿ. ಮಂಡೇ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬೆಗ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಎಸ್, ನಿನ್ನೆ ನೀವೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ 8 ದಿವಸದಿಂದ ಒಂದು 40 ಮೆಮೊ, ಅದು ಬರೋದ್ ಬೇಡವಾ? ಇದು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ ಮತ್ತೆ? ವೇಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್, ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್, ಗಿವ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಮೆಮೋಸ್. 2:30 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, 2:30 ಇರೋರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಿ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಿ. ವೇಟ್, 2:30 ಇರೋರು ಮಾತ್ರ, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಿ. ಆಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ದಿ ಮೆಮೊ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್, ಗಿವ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಮೆಮೋಸ್. ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್? 2:30 ಬೇಕಾ ಯಾರಿಗಾರು? ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್. ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ರೀಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆರ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್? ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಯು ಆರ್ ದಿ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್. ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ? ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಫಾದರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾದೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದು ಹಾಕಿ, ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಎಸ್, 20th give it. ಎಸ್, DA 20th, 7A 20th ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ, 7A and DA. What were you doing till today? When did you file it? You should have argued before the other bench. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಮೊ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ವಾ? ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್, 2:30 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಕೋ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ? ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಹಾಕಿ. ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಹಾಕಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅದು ಫ್ರೆಶಾ? ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಸ್, ಅದು ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ದಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಇವತ್ತು 2:30 ನೋ, ಅವತ್ತೇ ಬರ್ಲಿ, 19th ಬರ್ಲಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದೇ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅವರು. ಎಸ್, ಅದು ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಫ್ರೈಡೇಗೆ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇಗೆ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಎಸ್, FR ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವೆಯ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಪವನ್ 1 month, 1 year ಇಂದ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2025 ಹಾಕಿರಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆಯ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಲೀವ್ ಇಟ್. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ವೈ? ಸೊ ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕೊಡಿ. ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ. 2:30 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಂಥದ್ದೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ, ಕೊಡಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್? ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಜಗದೀಶ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. I'll take it only on Tuesday, but serve it on him. Serve the copy on him now. Tuesday ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. FR ನಂಬರ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಪವನ್, FR ನಂಬರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಡೂ ಇಟ್. Do it on Tuesday, it will come. Yes. Sorry, 2:30. Atrocity is 2:30. Sorry, yes. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು? ವಾಟ್ 2:30? ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು 2:30 ಇವತ್ತು ಹಾಕದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಮೇಡಮ್, ಯಾವ್ದು? ಒನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ಡ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಇವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದೆ. ಹಾ ಅದೇ, ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಯಾವತ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಗಿವ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಮೋಸ್. Please make a note of that and give. Yes. Pending or fresh? Give it. No, it won't get listed. Oh, thank you. You could. It will get listed at 2:30 itself. Kodi. Yes. That's okay. Again 2:30 beka. Mata? Let it be, sir. We'll see, sir. Yes. We'll see. Yes. Vacating stay. ಅದು ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ, ಅದೊಂದು ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇನ ಫ್ರೈಡೇನ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಗ್ರಾಂಟೆಡ್. ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅದು. ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ ಕೊಡಿ. ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಆರ್ ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್. Tuesday or Wednesday. Don't move. Yes. IML ಹಾಕಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ. ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಇವತ್ತು ಬರ್ಬೇಕ. 2:30 ತಗೊಳ್ಳ? ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2:30 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮೈ ಟ್ವೀಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು? You are the accused. Oh, you want the tweet to be there. We'll impose costs and confirm the order. Equated. Irli adane urgency illa bidi. Yes, kodi. Ella civil dispute sir. Pressure pending. Police are harassing, common thing. Amele. Kodi. Tuesday or Wednesday it will come. Nimdeno? Yenna? ಅದನ್ನೇ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಇವತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ, ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಕೊಡಿ. ವೈ? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬೋನಾಫೈಡೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಮೆಮೋಸ್. ಯಾವ್ದು 2:30 ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್. ಅಟ್ರಾಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? No, I'm not granting extension. Yes, don't give a limit. Yes, either don't take advantage of this. So what? The fresh matter. Give it. Tuesday or Wednesday it will come. Give it. Yes. Tuesday illa. Tuesday ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ? I can't take 500 matters. Tuesday maximum is 200. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Maximum 1000 memos are still there. Yes. ಅದು 2:30 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇದು. 10 FIRs ಯಾವತ್ತು ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು? ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಏನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕೊಡಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. 5 months ಇಂದ ಆಗಿರೋದು, ಇವಾಗ ಏನ? ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಗಿವ್ 1 minute ಸರ್. ಗಿವ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಮೆಮೋಸ್. PK ಗಜರಾದ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ? ಆಯ್ತು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಸ್, pressure pending. Leave it. Yes, next. ಏನದು?
We sought to overcome the clarity 4 and 5. It was submitted by Mr. Vijay that they have gone to the Supreme Court against that. Now, Supreme Court dismissed even 4 and 5's application there.
So
it's on parity. My lords, we recollect when we argued, we said 4 and 5 is stand on the same footing, my lords. So my lords said we will consider it. We will see what happens.
I have considered it. ಅದು ನನಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನಕ್ಕಿದೆ ನನಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Bail had been granted here. Supreme Court has rejected the challenge to it. So we-
ಅದು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ. So ಈಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು? Should I go back and ಮತ್ತೆ? You bring it to the notice when it is pronounced. Yes. So, fresh or pending? There is no interim order. There is no interim order, give it. Yes. There is no interim order. If there is interim order, adjourn in 2026. Give it, yes. Evening. Evening, I mean night. Yes. Order should be passed, that's the reason. You have taken your signatures already, don't. Kodi, file kodi. Why was it not extended? ನೀವು ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ಅದು ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಯಾವಾಗ ವೇಕೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ವಿಲ್ ಪೌನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದೆಮ್. 24/11/23 ನನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. I am holding 11458. It has not come before me at all. This court on 24/11/2023 had passed the following order. The petitioners were restrained in the further submits tag along. ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೊಡಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. one ನಿಮಿಷ. 8/11 ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸರಿನೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 11/12/2023 is the last date that the matter came up. Original ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Interim order granted earlier stands extended. ಹೌದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 15/12 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ? ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ 15/12. ಆಯ್ತು, ಎನಿವೇ this court, the coordinate bench of this court on 18/11/2023 had passed the following order. The interim order on subsequent dates of the matter getting listed is also extended. The learned counsel submits that on 15/12/2023 it was not extended and the police have now issued notice. In the light of the interim order subsisting, interim order granted on 24/11/2023 and that not being vacated by a recent order, I deem it appropriate to extend the interim order dated 24/11/2023 till the next date of hearing and further direct the police not to meddle with the interim order. Yes.
Yeah.
Second matter I am not granting. Yes. First matter ಈಗ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀಗ. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇದು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀಗ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಂಟಿಂಗ್. I don't know, sir. First matter, there is no interim order. Unless I hear it, I am not granting interim order. Hero interim order extend ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ?
Same complaint in both the matters.
Learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the complainant ಯಾರು? ಇಬ್ರಿಗೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Learned HCGP, learned additional SPP is directed to accept notice for the respondents. Petitioner copy ಇದೆಯಾ? Counsel for the petitioner to serve set of papers upon the additional SPP forthwith. Next.
Lord, in this case, Lord, for the respondent, Lord, I am seeking short accommodation.
Bhagwan Das IPS ಅದೇನು
My lords,
MBBS ತರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
they come months before, my lords. He worked as superintendent of police.
Lord, before commencing argument, Lord. Yesterday I received this Please.
What is this habit? Am I going to pass any order?
Please.
Wait, yes.
He worked as an SP in KGF.
Hello, what's the issue now, sir?
17A,
Ah.
when FIR comes to be registered, no approval under 17A taken,
Hmm.
charge sheet is filed, then no sanction accorded, my lords.
No sanction also occurred.
And then cognizance taken by straight away NPW issue without summons. This is the point, my lords. But 17A, my lords.
It is there.
17 days still reverberating in
Yes,
this court.
My lords, my lords, permits. Aspects of 17A, I just wanted to point out.
Hmm.
But it is involved in state also. Lords, it's
You
17.
still you want to argue 17A?
My lords, it's heard a lot about it.
Ah.
But aspects, my lords, if not, I'll bring to the notice of the court. My lords, in 17A, my lords, Chandrababu Naidu's case, my lords, I'm not certain whether it was brought to the notice.
Oh, yo, they have not left anything, sir.
Chandrababu Naidu.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is referred to a larger bench. Yes, sir.
That, the issue was, when do you take 17A? Is it on the date of the offense that was done or at the time when 17A order has to be passed? So one of the divergent view there was, one of the judges held, you have to look at the date of the offense because the reading of 17A says so. Reading of 17A.
There, the offense was long ago.
Even if it is long ago, and at the time FIR comes to be lodged, my lord, before that FIR, if the amendment has come into force, you need 17A. My lords, one learned judge held so, my lord, whereas the other learned judge held otherwise, and then it got referred to a larger bench.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು larger bench?
Pending ಇದೆ. On that issue, it is pending. One more important aspect, my lords, was constantly asked me, at what point of time 17A is required?
How do you know that? Then you did not know that they have argued extensively.
No, well, that's one aspect which I probably subject to connection, my lords failed. It is much earlier to 156.
Ashok, sir. I have just said Ashok.
Yes, well, 156.3 is because of the language, my lords, which is used in 156.3 itself.
Itself, yes.
156.
See, if I don't accept that a crime should be immediately registered after reference, you will be, violating 156.3.
Language of investigation.
Yes.
And my lord, 17A says for any
Inquiry or investigation.
investigation, it will be an approval. So, my lords, I just thought.
I know I am not,
I think.
prima facie, I know I am not wrong in Ashok. You had appeared in that. Yes.
Ashok, because there was a lot of argument took place, should it come after 156.3 or not? I think my lord Ashok, my lords, has dealt it comprehensively in saying at what point of time approval is to be taken, my lords. Well, these two aspects in our case, 17A is not there, 19 is not there, straight away an issuance of NBW without summons.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ he is anxious. ನೆನ್ನೆ ತಾನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೆನ್ನೆ ತಾನೇ
Here-
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Lord, there is an order of under section 19
Huh.
and there is an order under section 17 also. The
Really?
preliminary inquiry was held, Lord.
ಕೊಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
I'll place,
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ರೊಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Lord, the allegation that not initially
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು DA ಕೇಸಾ?
criminal misconduct,
What case is this?
criminal misconduct.
SP, my
This is 13(1)C.
my lords, SP, he headed a selection committee, my lords, two committees were there, he headed it.
ಯಾವ್ದಿದು? ಯಾವ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ? PSI.
PSA,
Then?
this is backlog,
Hmm.
6 post backlog post to ST, my lords.
Hmm.
So it was women constable, PC.
All right.
My lords, 6, it was done. Now, after the appointments were given, they higher up, my lords, DGI, IGP, they would cancel it.
No, you recommended appointments.
But I was appointing authority.
You were the appointing
I
authority.
appointed.
Hmm.
My higher up would feel that it is not right, set it aside. I give an explanation to them, they recall the setting aside. So virtually confirming my order. 2 years later, my lords, after the entire training period was over, those 6 persons get discharged. They
Why?
But it's on the same ground, saying your appointment itself is wrong. They approach KAT. KAT has given them favorable orders. Against.
Are they reinstated?
Yes, my lord, reinstated. Against that now, the writ petition is pending. This is the facts. So a decision taken by me, my lords.
A decision, if you have taken a decision, then yes, 17A. Even if it is 13(1)C or 13D, if a decision has emerged, then it is 17.
That charge sheet material, I don't get any kind of approval under 17A. I don't get any sanction reference under 19 and straight away, my lord, issuance of an NBW, my lord, when it's placed for the court. These are the 3 legal aspects, my lord.
Lord, in the charge, as per the charge sheet, Lord,
17A ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Lord, initially, Lord, a report was submitted by the SP, Polarm, Lord, on to the DH.
17A permission from the competent authority ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Not 7, I'm not talking of 17,
I'll
proviso to 17 ಅಲ್ಲ.
The provision of law is not mentioned in the order, Lord, I'll
Good.
pass out. And the beneficiary is the niece of the very accused number 1, Lord.
That
The-
will see, that will see.
And the 2 more appointments, Lord, where there also the relatives from the same family, 2 of them are appointed. And one is the accused number 1's niece has been appointed as SDA. And
That's on facts, sir. One
please.
minute.
I put a flag on 19 order also, Lord.
History of home affairs. Competent authority.
ಅವ್ರದೇ.
I concede so far as A1 is
No,
concerned,
competent authority to you is not that. You are IPS officer,
so far as
DPR, sir.
so far as A1 is
Department
concerned,
of Personal
no
Administrative
sanction for
Reforms,
so
yes.
far A1, section 19 order.
Huh?
So far as A1 is concerned, they are not obtained sanction under section 19.
Who is A1?
A1 is IPS officer. Lord,
Who
the
is the petitioner is what?
petitioner first,
So
in
no
one case.
sanction. Cognizance is taken without sanction.
Yes, Lord, so far as A1 is concerned, Lord, yes, Lord.
ಇಬ್ರಿದಾರ petitions ಒಬ್ರೇನಾ?
There are 2 petitions.
The petition can appear in
No
That-
sanction.
There are 2 petitions in first field.
First one ಯಾರು? Accused number?
In a criminal petition 10775 is accused number 2. Another petition, Lord. This is the matter, Lord.
There is an order under 17A.
Yes,
Yes, there is an order under 17A. That I don't, 19 I am not finding it here.
Lord, he was retired from the service in the year 21/7/2016.
197 lapsing.
There is no IPC offenses in it.
Only prevention of corruption.
Yes,
IPC offense ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ. PCI.
2018, my lords. My lords had education to consider this in MK to my years.
ಕೊಡಿ. ಅದು post retirement ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ? They were all serving officers. Yes. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ who had retired? Nobody had retired. No. So you gave this on his retirement statement. No retirement in this. Ella 46 years. And Timaya is 58 years.
The 19th scene of the 19th. Is an amendment by the 19th from how it was before. Earlier it was relatable to when the cognizance was being taken. Now it relates back to the date of the offense. My lords can see that amendment belongs to 2018.
Yes, that I know. Yes.
So now it's relating back to the date of offense, my lords.
No, you're thinking on your legs. So we'll give you some time.
Offense, my lords, I'm sorry, 2016 is the offense. So the FIR gets registered in 2018 after the amendment has taken place. If 2018 they see the need of an approval, then my lords, on the same year, the charge.
When did you retire?
In the year 2016,
2016.
please.
I retired. 2018, after the act, new amendment has come into force, is the FIR. December 2018 is the FIR. So if they say, my lords, for the FIR, they need an approval, then on the same footing, my lords, at the end of it, when they file a charge sheet.
There
they
are
sanction.
3 approvals granted here to proceed with investigation. 2 of the approvals are prior to the amendment itself. So 17A sprang only on 27th July 2018. There, 26 July 26/7/2018. So prior to that, there are two orders permitting in what, whether it is approval or not, why are you worried? Sanctions, by then you are retired.
Unless my lords has interpreted that portion also.
Which portion also?
Of the amendment as it stands now for 19.
We'll see.
19 and 17 are standing on the same footing in terms of date of offense. My lords, for a minute, my lords.
Ah, ಕೊಡಿ, yes. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನಿನ್ನೆಯಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಬುಕ್, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ, ಎಸ್.
ನಾವು 17A ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
17A ಬೇಡ, because you have retired prior to amendment, yes.
Date of offense 17A ಕೂಡ. 17A.
Date of offense ಏನು ಸರ್?
2016.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, date of offense ಏನು ಸರ್?
Date of offense is 2016.
All right, 17A was not in the picture, so don't harp upon 17A at all. It's not in picture, sir. FIR register ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವತ್ತು? FIR register ಆಗಿದೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು?
2018.
So when FIR is registered, they needed approval. That for sure, my lords, under 17A. Because my lords, 17A also is wording is for the offense. Date of the offense. If you were at 2018, you need approval. Please notice 17A for a village. My lords.
We'll see. We are hyper technical. Anyway, come to 19. Yes.
I wanted to show the judgment.
Could you this provision? Yes.
Babu Naidu's case. Offense was prior, my lords, prior to the amendment. My lords, I'm sorry. that is
Yes.
once
I'm at 19.
19. Now 17A is noticed, my lords, date of offense 17A.
Both are relating to any offense alleged to have been committed by the public servant under this act. Correct. Into any offense alleged to have been committed. Date of offense, yes. ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಈಗ 19 ಅಲ್ಲಿ
same, alleged to have been committed by the public servant.
any offense alleged to have been
Committed by, yes.
At the time when you are going to have an inquiry or investigation.
That is 17A.
You needed 17A. Anytime the offense has taken place, but when you are going in for an inquiry or investigation, 17A approval required, my lords. And same, my lords, same aspect on 19. Kindly notice, my lords, the change that has taken place in 19.
So FIR is registered after the amendment.
If FIR is registered.
Anyway, there is an order here. Well, there is an order with 17A. Yes.
On
19 we'll see. I'll have to answer that. Because by the time 19 came about, you definitely were not in service.
Wait a minute, I don't think service, because it's date, back to the date of offense, not when I'm voting to post. That's the difference that has come about by the amendment.
ಕೊಡಿ, interpretation ಕೊಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅದಾಯ್ತು, we'll accept it, give the interpretation.
How the change that has taken place, my lords. My lords, notice that in A, my lords, A and B of 19:1, A and B, my lords, in the case of a person, now after that is the amendment 2, my lords, who
Yes.
was employed or as the case may be, was at the time of commission of alleged offense employed. My lords, that's a change. So when offense took place, I was employed, then the need of sanction. Earlier, how it read
Where is
was-
the interpretation?
How it read earlier. How it read before this was, at the date.
Where is that?
Previous one. my lords.
You need to juxtapose.
It was interpreted in, I'll pass on the judgment.
Old. Prior to amendment.
Please, that is.
I'm on 19, sir.
B.A. Srinivas.
He is on 9. Sir, B.A. Srinivasan says at any time you can take sanctions. 3-judge bench 2020. It's all right. Leave it. Yes.
Sorry, the old act is here at this point.
ನೀವು ಹಳೆ ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತರಬೇಡಿ.
Please.
B.A. Srinivasan is considered in Srinivasalu again, and it is held that it is necessary. We'll hear it. Let him also file his objections.
I'll file.
This was exactly what was the subject matter in Chandrababu Naidu's case. Offense was committed earlier, my lords. After the amendment came in the FIR. So question that arose was, would it be necessary, since the offense was done earlier, but FIR later, when the amendment has come about, could it be necessary even for 17A?
No, that is there in the file. 19, yes, you may have to submit. That we'll see. That-
And DPW issued, was covered by Satyendra Kumar and his case, Interim goes on.
interim bail ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು saying,
They can file an application for recalling the NBW.
Recalling what?
Not the NBW, no. Lord, it was
Will stay the warrant.
but order itself illegal.
the application for discharge was filed in the year 2020. Pending it is.
Discharge is also rejected.
Last time when we argued the matter, it was pointed out discharge you then. I brought it to the notice of the court, I'll withdraw that. I withdrew that.
I
and
might-
pursued
we'll see.
for it.
Lord, one
Pursued.
more petition is
Yes.
pending in the rising out
Huh?
same crime. That
Yes.
is criminal petition number
ಕೊಡಿ.
10
Same petitioner?
against accused number 3. A3 is filed one more petition.
ಈಗ ಎರಡು petition A1 ಏನ?
A1 and 2.
ಆಯ್ತು, tag this petition along with all are retired?
That,
ಅವರಿಬ್ರು retired ಅಪ್ಪ.
that accused number 2 has not retired.
Then don't tag it, yes. If the accused number 2 is retired, why have you tagged then? Issues differ then.
Eighth
It's all right. List the matter on Thursday.
is criminal
matters,
petition
yes.
10974/23.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಿರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ. Till Thursday. We'll see. Till Thursday. Yes, warrant will stay ಬೇಕಾರೆ. Warrant that is hanging on the head of the petitioner shall remain stayed till the next date of hearing. Yes, important. Yes. Yes,
That's the amendment that is taken.
but you should learn to sprint. Yes. Chota sir, Sandesh sir, in those PC Act matters which are there, I want a compilation of all the judgments passed by me or by the coordinate benches, whatever, ella complete. All compilations. And a note on that compilation so that it makes my job easy. It's already there? All right, fine.
Dated by law sponsor, what is the matter and ready?
All right. Today I'll take it. 3,
The matter, my lord, that government land has been allotted to various people and their own relatives and etc. Now, this
Yes.
case pertains to about 68 acres of land. I've been told, my lord, totally 400 acres of land has been
By whom?
by some of these people who are all, some of these accused men are also beneficiary, and there are also some of the people are not.
ಈಗ now I am holding criminal petition 12246. ಯಾರ್ದದು? Yes, sir. Accused number 8. First petition ಯಾವ್ದು? Lead petition ನಿಮ್ದ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. 11441 ಕೊಡಿ.
Is accused number 20.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. 1 by 1. Entry order ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, my lord.
Why entry order? What are you? Common man, all right. Tahsildar is the complainant. What is your role? So your mother's and sister's name is entered. No, it is entered or not? Enough. ಆಮೇಲೆ corroboration ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. Voluntary statement diminishes. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮದರ್ದು ನೇಮ್ ಸೇರಿಸಿದಾರ ಇಲ್ವಾ? That's a matter of trial. That's okay. Now your family is the beneficiary. That's a matter of trial. Yes.
Accepting the voluntary statement of the
Okay. ನಿಮ್ದಾಯ್ತು. A21. All right.
My mother and my sister's name, and they have produced one statement of account number 2 alone, and there is a request to give an SBI bank asking like who are the people who have transferred money to account number 2. It does not reflect my name.
All that you find it out in a trial.
The other beneficiary, they have been examined whether they were in knowledge of their names insertion or not.
No, I am not going to examine all this in a 482 petition.
If they are beneficiaries, then they have to be employed.
There will be.
They have not been examined whether they were aware of the transaction.
Madam, they need not be aware of the transaction. Transaction has happened, their names are there. You explain how did it come, that's all. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ತುಮಕೂರ್ದ? 4 ಗುಬ್ಬಿ 400 acres, 200 acres. All that a matter of trial. No.
Why is statement of was recorded on 4/7? Appeal number 21 was not shown, and I think still the time is asking for the file. Had it been cleared any more in this
It's okay, there is no bar. Why you produce everything and do not seek that under 207?
Right.
Accepting the statement of case, there's nothing else, nothing to do.
Yes. Citations. Could you? If you don't have the judgment, I will deliver the judgment now. You can take it. ಬಿಡಿ ನಿಮ್ದೇನು ಹೇಳಿ. ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸಾ? ಫೈಲ್ಡ್ ಸರಿ.
Particularly, the second petition is different crime number, P65. There are 2 cases. One is on
ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಯಾವುದು?
2022. 2022. The other petitions are in that crime. Connected matters. This petition is concerned, crime number 2767/22, which was registered on 3rd 12 2022. After 5 months later.
All right, all of you file synopsis instead of saying all this. Your submissions will be jumbled. ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೇಮ್ನೆಸ್.
The officials of 10 persons, they are using names are mentioned in different persons locality.
ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್. It is not sameness. No problem. Every individual that you have distributed or bartered away the property, government property, makes an individual offense. Will not be hit by doctrine of sameness.
I did show the case to court.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು, ಅದು ಯಾವ ಸರ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟಿ ಟಿ ಆಂಥನಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಟಿ ಟಿ ಆಂಥನಿ ಹೇಳೋದಷ್ಟೇ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್.
against 10 officials against sameness.
So what?
Different persons are
Huh.
beneficiaries.
Exactly. Beneficiaries are different. Your actions are different. Complainants are different.
Added and continued charge.
No,
That is the-
I will hold it. Don't
Your Lordship.
leave it to me. I will pass an order. First, you prepare your synopsis and come. We'll see. Give it. List the matter on Wednesday at 4 p.m. Parties to file detailed synopsis, short synopsis of the submissions and the authorities that they are seeking to rely on. Interim order, if any, in these cases, subsisting in these cases, shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Three more matters, my lord.
Huh?
3 more matters supposed to be listed.
Kudi, ella kudi. Alla, which matters kudi? Number yavudu? Number kudi. List all, tag all of them together. Yes, next. Next.
And their number is different in other cases.
ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅದೇ ತಾನೆ? ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ.
My lords, in filing a short synopsis,
ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್?
this is a failed trap, my lords.
ಫೇಲ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಇದು.
That I want to give us a set of case laws and then make.
On failed trap.
Please, my lords.
Even if the trap fails, you can continue.
Please, because there is a subtle issue here, my lord.
Demand ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಯಾವಾಗ?
ಅದು ಟ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರೀ ಟ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಎಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
I'll show it, my lords, in my statement of objection. What happens, my lords, is there is one Muthoot Finance where someone has pledged some duplicate gold and has raised loan on it. The manager of Muthoot Finance comes and gives a complaint that this has happened, fraud, cheating, whatever.
You will.
Now the police officer in charge of that,
ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ or what?
I'll tell you, look at them, lords.
How did you enter into Muthoot Finance?
I'll explain it, my lords. The police officials are the accused here.
Oh.
The police officials, what they do, not to arraign you into the charge sheet, they demand a 10 lakh bribe, of which, my lords, they receive then and there only. And in fact, in the trap master, incidentally, Togoli, Enaskoli, antanu, it's pointed out.
Pre-trap.
Pre-trap, please. Then they come to know that there is a trap.
Pre-trap measure is not drawn in front of the accused.
It is drawn, my lords.
Yes.
It is drawn.
Before the actual trap happens.
Please, my lords. Before the actual trap happens. Now, my lords, I just want to point out a similar case, a set of case laws, my lords, I have for the consideration of this honorable court. My lords, first of the judgments is of the year 2018. My lords, I'll just read, pointed out the paragraphs. The second paragraph, 4 lines. According to the prosecution's case, relevant facts are on so-and-so complainant present respondent 2, Narayan Singh Bachal, filed a typed complaint in the office of Lokayukta Gwalior to the effect that revenue officer Rajesh Dandotia is demanding a bribe of 10,000 regarding pending applications submitted on behalf of his father for demarcation of his agricultural land. After receiving the complaint under the instruction, under the instruction of the police superintendent, Inspector Rajiv handed over the government voice recorder to complainant and the trap formula. Next page, my lords, they point out that the trap has failed. Next page, on page number 2, my lords have. Page number 2, my lords. The relating amount was returned back to the complainant, and in relation to unsuccessful trap proceedings, separate Panchnama was prepared. So there is an unsuccessful trap. Now, my lords, paragraph 5, my lords, may permit me to read. Per contra, above mentioned prayer has been strongly opposed by public prosecutor on behalf of the respondent state by placing reliance in Mubarak Ali versus State, 1958, where it is held that for an offence punishable under section 7 of mere demand or solicitation or gratification by public servant is sufficient and acceptance of bribe is required only for offences punishable under 13 of the PC Act, and it is clear from the provision of section 7 of the PC Act that if any public servant accepts or obtains or agrees to accept or attempts to obtain from any person any illegal gratification, then offence is punishable under this act is constituted. Now, my lords, the next judgment, I'll only point out four lines in each of
Yes,
them.
Krishna Bhatt ಅವರು.
ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಭಟ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಇದೆ, ಔರಂಗಾಬಾದ್.
ಔರಂಗಾಬಾದ್. And Krishna Bhatt ಅವ್ರದ್ದು I'll point out. In fact, Krishna Bhatt ಅವ್ರದ್ದು, it's a very interesting issue where, my lords, the lorry driver is recording it then and there when the transaction is happening. No trap, no pre-trap, none of that, my lords. Even then, this honorable court was pleased to hold that these are disputed questions of facts, and there are some witnesses which are saying that in terms of the basic investigation that had transpired already therein, that he has received it, and all of this is mixed question of facts and it has to go for a trial.
The only judgment perhaps is Aurangabad, where there was also a case of failed trap.
Also failed trap. Incidentally, again, police officers involved. Now, my lords, I'll just read out.
Let's see. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದು. I only said don't file charge sheet.
Please. Now, incidentally, my lords, in the pre-trap matter, I just want to.
We will see. Yes.
No, my lords, there are two of them. Accused number.
Yes. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? A1 ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
We have recommended for filing an appeal, my lords.
ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. Same recommendation.
No, my lords, but these issues were not addressed.
No, don't get away with that case with this order.
No.
ಹೆಂಗೋ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
No, my lords. ಪೇಜ್ 10 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಣಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? Please, I'll leave it to this one. I am only making my submissions.
ಅಲ್ಲ, A1 ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ.
A1 ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು
ಅದು ಫೇಲ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಅವರು ಫೇಲ್.
You did not bring these judgments.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇದು judgment.
My order.
No, not my lords. The coordinate bench. There also we argued the same thing, my lords, and we argued it at length. It's not that, and we have filed a written argument also there. Not that we have not persuaded this honorable court to pass an order in our.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ.
ಅವ್ರು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಯಾವಾಗಾರು ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ, in terms of that circular, it should go to the same honorable judge who has passed the order, quay the co-accused.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. I leave it to my lords. I leave it to.
Okay, let it go there only.
I leave it to my lords.
ಅಲ್ಲ, as per that circular, ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅದು co-accused ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. How was it before me?
I leave it to my lords. I'll make the same submissions there.
You've already made. Reiterate.
Once again.
Stay ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Please.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that inter alia he is basing his submissions upon the quashment of the proceedings qua the co-accused, i.e. accused number 1, and the petitioner is accused number 2. Therefore, the matter be placed before the same honorable judge who has quashed the proceedings qua accused number 1 in terms of the circular, so and so, circular madam, interim order subsisting shall continue till the matter is placed before the honorable judge. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Responding this case. Yen complied 10%. Deposit ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
I have to.
Acknowledgement ನೋಡಿ. Tuesday will close this. Give it. List on Tuesday in the fresh matters.
Much of this.
Next. Big bank guarantee.
Lordship, what we had asked for is, at the time of the contract, before signing the agreement, Your Lordship, just before the time of the work order is submitted, verification is done. At that point of time, they say that this bank guarantee is correct. That is all we are asking to submit. Because now the very same bank guarantee, how can they say it is fake?
It is not the very same bank guarantee, it's a different bank guarantee.
Oh, last time he told it's a different bank guarantee.
Your Lordship, this bank guarantee is what is given when we start the
Big
contract.
bank guarantee is
Your
difficult,
Lordship,
madam. That's the problem.
Your Lordship, if what they have
It has become a
produced.
menace in every tender now. Every tender, big bank guarantees are being given. Unless,
Your Lordship, just for a minute in this case, this is in the year 2020 when peak COVID period. There is no provision for him to even go to the bank. I'm told that even in the report, it states that they had come and delivered it, the bank. There is no There is no
Anyway, bank officials are also accused.
bank officials, they don't proceed against. Even the time they, Your Lordship, they proceeded against us.
Bank officials
We,
not accused.
Your Lordship, we were arrested. Bank official marches in and marches out of the police station.
Anyway,
These people,
they are also accused.
Your Lordship,
Hmm.
in this matter, the bank officials are getting away scot-free. Their report also, Your Lordship, they do not want to go against.
How can you leave off the
We are not leaving them.
bank officials who have prepared this draft?
We are not leaving them.
FIR is only against these three persons, Your Lordship.
Fair whomever is given, they have been registered, but investigation is not limited to that because
Why
Not
even, why
limited.
are they not made accused?
no, in the FIR complaint is given against him. Based on the complaint.
Who is the
FIR
complainant?
complainant is the Karnataka Vasati Shikshana Samsthegala Adhyaksh.
ಆಯ್ತಾ ಡಿಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಯಾರು?
TD Kutra is the
Regional manager,
From which bank, sir?
bank,
Kotak.
Kotak Mahindra Bank.
Why the officials are not made accused?
No, it says others. It's FIR says others.
ಈಗ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಏನಿದೆ ಈಗ? ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
It is charged in already.
ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದೀರಾ ಈಗ?
It is registered only in March 2024.
Your Lordship, the background to this is this.
Of
Three
course,
of them,
cannot
not
leave
just
it.
one contractor, three contractors. Put together all of their amounts is 28 crores that is pending as a final amount. Bank guarantee constitutes only 5% of the entire work order. While they want the release of their final amount, a certain amount is asked, which they are not able to meet with because it's
That's
extremely
always
high.
there.
Your Lordship, the difficulty is this. Work is entirely completed to their satisfaction all over. Now they come up with a fake bank guarantee. This is the very bank guarantee based on which they had approved
Now,
my work.
what was the date of the tender?
The date of
Tender and work order.
work order, Your Lordship. 2023, 20,
7/12/2023.
No, date of the notification. NIT issue ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗ?
2019 was the notification, Your Lordship.
ಹಾ.
20 was the work.
When did you submit your bid?
20? 23, Your Lordship.
23? Why
Subs-
23?
Quite late, you know.
4 years ಆಯ್ತಾ notification ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ?
3 years, Your Lordship.
So why after 3 years you submitted your bid? You said NIT is 2019.
33 is petitioners.
33, Your Lordship,
Page 33.
please.
Hmm.
Completed by 7/3/2023.
No, I want to know, when you submitted your bid, you're supposed to give this bank guarantee. All right.
Correct.
Where is that bid submitted and bank guarantee given?
Page 38, my lord.
Is it the same bank guarantee or a different bank guarantee? That's all.
Same bank
38.
guarantee, Your Lordship, at one point of
Same
time.
bank guarantee that you had given at the time of submission of the bid.
Absolutely.
If that is not said to be false, after the completion of the work, you can't say bank guarantee was false.
It's the
And
same-
there is a email communication. At that point of time, they were not able to email communication. They verify, they say that this is the correct bank guarantee, only then the work proceeds. And now,
That is true. Bank guarantee is verified initially.
Your Lordship, may kindly see
It's
page
a
11, it
different-
talks about renewal.
That's a different bank guarantee. Your lordship may see page 21.
ನೋಡಿ renewal ನ same.
20?
One of the document they place from Karnataka Bank.
That is a subsequent given. Page 11, Your Lordship, may
No,
kindly see.
6/1/2024 is a bank guarantee of Karnataka Bank. ಇದು
Yes, ma'am.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್?
Karnataka bank guarantee is an original that's been given, Your Lordship, subsequently. Page 11 may kindly be seen. For renewal, when they go, at that point of time, they state that this bank guarantee is not correct. When they seek
That's why I
clarification on
said
renewal,
your bid, which is the first bank guarantee, those documents are required.
I shall produce it.
You
Your
produce that, I'll
Please.
take it on Tuesday
Please,
or Wednesday in the fresh matters list. Yes, you produce that,
I shall.
and don't let off the bank officials
No,
off
no, we
the
are not
hook.
giving money.
If they have connived with the petitioner, they'll also face.
Issue in the bank in this case, my lord, has said that they never issued this bank guarantee in the first place.
Then how can bank guarantee be?
No, that's the entire case is that the bank guarantee
We'll
which,
see.
yes,
Yes, list on Wednesday in the fresh, produce
Yeah.
all that.
We'll-
The first bank guarantee that you gave along with the bid,
Yes,
because immediately they'll refer it for verification.
correct.
if they verified that amended after 4 years, say that bank guarantee is.
Your Lordship,
fake.
all I seek is, this is anyway a government
There are
contract.
records here, I'll see.
In the records, I'm told that they have not produced that verification. Because that is where they will be trapped.
But you just give
If
the.
they are directed to produce the verification
entire
before
records
the
are
tender
here.
bid,
Entire records are here.
Please.
I'll see.
please.
You produce those bid document and your bank guarantee initially submitted.
Please.
Yes.
I shall- Obliged.
Heard the Learned Senior Counsel, Srimati Lakshmi Iyengar appearing for the petitioner. List on Wednesday in the fresh matters list. Yes. ಇದು 2 weeks ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಇದ್ರೇನು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನೀವ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
Wife.
We are all appearing for the wives.
This side is
All of
wife,
us are
that
all
side
for the
is.
wife, that side is for the.
ನೀವ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸರ್?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ.
But responded.
ಅವರೊಬ್ಬರು,
This side only, my lord. Even liability is this side.
we are all ordinary mortals, ಅವರು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನಲ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಂತೆ.
Let them stay. All advocates on behalf of the wife, we are appearing in that side. I am alone, I will stay.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಒಂದ್ 2 ವಾರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳೋಣ. We'll post it on 14th October ಹಾಕೋಣ. Yes, list on 14th October.
ಇಟ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 14th October ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಬೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Any time.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಹಾಗೆ ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಯಾವ್ದದು? 1st October. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ.
That's why between 24th ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Because the lord once takes the, maybe in 2 hearings, my lord, if it's the last day, then
No.
he may be in trouble.
I'll only take up, don't worry. Yes,
then
1st October. Yes.
entry ಮಾಡಮ್ 2:30 ಗೆ ಬೇಡ.
2:30?
Fresh matters, let it be in
Fresh matters only, yes. 2:30 ಅಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ.
ಆಗದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Fresh matters. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. Yes.
Let's interim orders.
Interim order subsisting in any of these cases shall continue to the next date of hearing. Withdrawal.
In fact, Malad, this matter was referred to CID.
Whatever. ಅವತ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. If I hear, I'll hear it completely. Memo, in terms of the memo. ಅದು previous matter, list on October 1st, heard so and so ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. List on October 1st, interim order subsisting in any of these cases shall continue to the next date of hearing. Yes, next. Maintenance.
My lords had directed me to deposit.
Arrears ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, no, there is an arrear of 1,38,000, out of which 10,000 was paid yesterday. Now the petitioner has issued a check for 28,000 today.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
May I request for some time notes to pay the balance 1 lakh?
List on 24th in the fresh matter list.
Blanket order has been passed, my lordship.
Huh?
Blanket stay order has been passed for the main maintenance
ಈಗ
order.
ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ,
ಇನ್ನ 1,78,000 ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು my lordship.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
ಅದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಒಂದ್ ಮಗುಗೆ 12 years,
1,20,000.
ಒಂದ್ ಮಗುಗೆ 14 years. School fees ಕೂಡ ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ my lordships.
School fees, who
Is
is
an
paying?
advocate my lordships.
School fees, who is paying?
It is the father who is
No
paying.
my lordships.
May
Wife
may I
is
submit,
Where?
my lordship.
may I submit this? He was a public prosecutor. They
ನೀವು
right to the
enhancement
department.
ಕೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ
they sought enhancement.
ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ 8,000 ಇತ್ತು, 10
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ ಏನು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
Enhance
ಅದು
ಆಗಿದೆ. Enhance ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ.
ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಹೋದರ್ ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಮೈನ್ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಮೈನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ
ಆಯ್ತು, ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ 24th.
lordship.
ಕೊಡಿ, ಡಿಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಎಸ್,
It's a check.
counsel for the petitioner hands over a demand draft of
It's a check. It's a check.
check.
It will be honored. It will
No
be
my
honored.
lordships.
It will be honored.
ಎರಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಆನರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ my lordships, 20,000.
I will direct initiation of proceedings against you if the check gets dishonored.
Very well.
Yes, give it. List
Great.
on 24th in the fresh matters list.
Great.
ಇಬ್ರು advocates ಆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಇಲ್ಲ.
wife is not an
Only the
advocate my lordships.
petitioner is a,
She's a housewife.
he was a public prosecutor. but
Petitioner is
then
an advocate my lordships.
He was removed.
Non-advocates can become PPs? ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ?
ಅದು ಒತ್ತಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ. He's an advocate.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಎಸ್. In awaiting police report.
They have not served a copy on us also.
My lord, we served 2 copies, my lord.
On whom side? On whom?
We have served, my lord.
On the same council, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ ಕೊಲೆ ಕೈಗೆ
ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರ ಅವರು.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
I'll look at it.
Post immediately after service if notice upon the second respondent. Yes, next. Into what is it? 7A na, then list on 20th. List on 20th ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Post immediately after service. ಏನ್
The 138 proceedings, my lord, accused remains absent and complaint is dismissed for non-participation, my lord.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ ಕೊಡಿ.
Also.
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ? ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅದು?
Notice was ordered and.
ಅಲ್ಲ, was he represented?
Yes, my lord, he has represented and he has participated.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳ್ದೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, my lord, even he is in the habit of remaining absent.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಏನ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್?
My lord, now, my lord, the difficulty is, my lord, he is not available. Even police are also tracing him.
ಒಂದ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ, ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Chances are given.
ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ.
Three times it is gone.
ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು 580ಗೆ.
Yes, sir.
ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ 24.
My submission, my lord.
24/9 for in the fresh matters list.
My submission, once court has taken the cognizance, it is the duty of the court to see that accused is secured, my lord.
We will see.
And the complainant is penalized for accused being remained absent.
24th will close it and pass that order also. Yes. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲ.
It's 12, the statement of objection is ready, my lords. It's a
20th.
trap also. Again,
List on 20th.
What's one clarification, my lord? I have sought for the quashment of complaint, FIR and charge sheet in this case.
Oh.
And this came to be listed on 1st of July, my lord. Interim order was not granted. Respondent number 1 was directed to take notice. Again, it came to be listed on 8th of August. In this case, order was to not file final report. I have indeed challenged the final report, my lord.
We'll modify that. This court on 8th August 2024 has passed the following order. This was an order that is granted in all the other cases. Therefore, this would not become operational. This would not become operational in the case at hand, in the light of the fact that what is called in question is already is the charge sheet. List on 20th.
Also, the hand summons could not be served upon him. A regular notice from court may be ordered.
Could not be served. Why?
Respondent number 2, my lord, he is not cooperating. He is not receiving.
File an affidavit. Yes.
concerned I.
The case and counter.
Mother and son, case and counter case. Civil.
Subsequent FIR.
ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ? ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ನಾವು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್
Connect ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಎರಡು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಏನು?
We'll try some settlement.
You are the son or the mother?
Son and
Son.
You want an axe to grind against the mother?
No, my lord.
Then what's the
That
problem?
is what I am submitting, my lord. If there are any chances of settlement, we'll settle.
Settlement
Because there is a civil dispute which is.
ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
ನಮ್
ಆಗಿದೆ,
stay
ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಇಬ್ರದ್ದು ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
25th
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅವ್ರದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. List on 25th in the fresh matters list. Parties to report settlement if any, failing which orders would be passed on their respective merit.
Please.
Next. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
Both matters.
Both.
Please.
Lords, I am passing on an interim order, copy of the interim order, my lord, in this case. Interim order in a civil suit filed by the accused number 1. Petitioner is the accused number 2, my lord. This interim order by the learned senior civil judge Magdi was passed on 11/9. This complaint was filed on 12/9. And this petitioner was not at all present in the incident or never involved in the incident, my lord. For a moment, this copy I am putting.
ಕೊಡಿ.
11th order is order. They have lodged a complaint on 12th. Page, there is an order, page, internal page 54, my lord. The IA number 1 and 2 filed under order 39 rule 1 and 2 CPC are hereby allowed. The defendant number 34 to 38 are restrained from alienating and changing the nature of the suit scheduled properties by way of temporary injunction pending disposal of the suit, my lord.
You had filed the suit?
No, my lord. This suit is filed by accused number
Suit for what, sir?
partition and separate possession, my lord.
Members of the same.
Members of the same, he is the brother, he is the accused number 1. The plaintiff in this suit, first plaintiff, is the accused number in this crime number, my lord. I have filed another suit. Kindly page my annexure G, my lord, OS 332/2016.
Yes.
He was not present at all.
The respondent complainant, along with others, is said to have respondents.
One of the respondent, that is 34th defendant's husband, has filed this case.
34th defendant. You are the plaintiff.
I am the, in this suit, my brother, accused number 1, is the plaintiff.
The petitioners.
Only one.
Accused number 2 now.
I am accused number 2. I am the petitioner in this case. Accused number 1 is my brother. My brother has filed that suit.
The accused number 1, the brother of the present petitioner, institutes suit in OS 332 of 2016. The suit is preferred for partition and separate possession. The concerned court grants grants injunction against the present complainant and others on 11/9/2020. Immediately thereafter, the impugned crime has sprung for the offense punishable under offense punishable and prayer nobody there. Punishable under so and so. The police, after investigation, have filed a charge sheet even. A summary of the charge sheet would indicate that the pendency of the civil suit. Admittedly, pendency of the civil suit. The petitioners are said to be in possession of the property. The dispute is between the siblings of the family. Therefore, permitting further proceedings qua this petitioner would become an abuse of the process of the law in the teeth of the aforesaid facts. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings qua the petitioner till the next date of hearing. Next.
Your Lordship, the charge sheet, in fact, the essence of the charge sheet is that's accused number 1 along with certain other accused persons founded certain companies, and the stated objections of the companies were lawful. But thereafter started doing unlawful things, extending loans using certain apps for 7 days to 40 days, exorbitantly charging money, charges from them, also interest, exorbitant interest, and then torturing them to recover their monies. This is the essence of the case.
Yes.
Now, the petitioner is a lady who is professional chartered accountant.
All right.
She had got 2 companies incorporated.
Yes.
Out of 21 companies total which were operational in this field through that accused number 1. Now, those 2 companies which the petitioner had got the incorporation done, merely because she did the incorporation work, it is being assumed that she was aware of the aims and objects otherwise what were actually stated. The oblique purpose for which it was later on used for the purpose other than those which were stated in the articles of association or memorandum of association, it was being used for other purposes, illegal purposes, which was not stated. Had that been stated, then registration could not have taken place. So the oblique purpose for which he wanted to use these companies were not stated by him to her. And then now without any material in support of any of the charges, she is being alleged that she was a party. She knew that in the future these things would be abused. While
what is the offense against you?
Offense against is, in fact, she is being charged with everything under section 120B and 34.
Yes, sir.
Whatever has been done by other people, she is being included in
Page
that.
153 and 154.
Please, Your Honor.
Charge against you.
Please, Your Honor.
You are accused number 47.
Please, Your Honor.
Yes.
Accused 47 Srimati Nidhi Goenka, her Aadhaar card number is so and so, is working as manager in HIGHCOURT Services Private Limited company during the year August 2020. In the said company, the said accused one Shabir Alam got introduced to the accused 47. The said company is also lending loans through digital mobile loan app 7 to 14 days, short-term unsecured loans, and collecting heavy processing charges.
Where are you reading?
Pardon?
He's reading the translation.
Translation.
Oh.
All right.
In fact,
Yes, yes. You can read.
yes. Thereafter, the accused one himself to open new companies, contacted accused 47 with a bona fide intention to earn illegal money, colluded with accused number 1 and made conspiracy to register the companies suggested by accused number 1 in ROC and did not execute duties and responsibilities as stipulated in the companies of Act of India to 2013.
Who is
as
the
executed by
complainant?
Charter.
Who is the complainant?
Complainant is here the inspector. In fact, the initial complaint was one Miss Bina. She is witness number 2.
No, whoever.
She was working in
Complainant yaru? CCB.
Police officer.
So motor.
This is the Lordship may say the one of the Chinese app loan complaint.
No, that is the allegation.
It is come from there, and then subsequently this petitioner may not, though accused number 1 was involved in the Chinese app company, subsequent knowing that they are all doing it, so she helped accused number 1 to.
We'll see. It's a matter of trial. Where is the interference
Yes,
now?
sir. The allegation that I knew.
If there was no charge against you, it's a different thing.
No, just a minute. The allegation that I knew that he is going to misuse the registration of the companies.
No, you knew that you were going to misuse it. You knew the people. 120B can always be there.
No, I knew the person. I did not know his background. I did not know his antecedents. He just meets me there while I'm working in this HIGHCOURT. He once meets me there. Then how can I be presumed that I knew everything about him?
Let's see. Yes.
Page number 1.
Well, page 153, 154 is the allegation.
In fact, 4,000 pages of document discloses the conversation.
There is not even a single document against me.
That's not.
So there is not even a single.
Not a single document. Not a single document cannot lead to clear offences against you in page 153.
I'm making a submission before Your Honor. In fact, let us read the summary of the charge which they have themselves written that.
So that's where I'm taking you to.
So in fact, what they say that I got the company registered initially for, there were 2 directors. Right? One is witness number 13 and one is accused number 1. What is the statement of witness number 13? Does he impute anything against me?
We'll hear you on 21st. List on 21st in the fresh matters list.
24th if it could be adjusted.
All right, 24th.
I'm deeply obliged.
For petitioners in this case, my lord. Petitioners are CCL 1 and CCL.
Justice.
Please have given to him, my lord, that.
Copies on there. He's on
My lord,
something else.
this particular petition is with respect to the proceedings which you have challenged, my lord.
Don't file your objections, file. List on 14th October, objections if any, in the case at hand by the state by then, failing which, again, problem ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
My lord, there is no stay in this matter, my lord. I may.
What is going on?
A trial, my lord.
What is the illegality according to you now?
My lord, CCL 1, CCL 2, along with their mother and grandmother, they enter into a school premises, my lord.
No, what is the illegality now? That project ಮಾಡಿ. Copy ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದು ಅದಾಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ
My lord, the allegations are not against CCL 1 and CCL 2, my lord. They enter into a school premises. And further, my lord, CCL 1 and CCL 2.
See, you move the matter if there is any problem. I'll list it on 14th October in the fresh matters list.
Interim order, my lord.
That day. Yes. Warrant ಎಲ್ಲ stay ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ.
My lord.
Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing. Yes.
Please, my lord.
Next. ಏನಿದೆ 7A?
7A.
ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ 7A? ಬೇರೆ 7A ಇದೆ. Passover, yes. Next.
Deposited in terms of the order of my lord, 28th August 2024.
Okay, voice, mic one.
My lord, I have deposited 15 lakhs in terms of the my lord order dated.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Totally out of 1,75 lakhs, my lord, I have paid 25 lakhs. I have deposited and filed memo before this honorable court.
Next deposit.
Any time. One breathing time because.
For the respondent, my lord, I have filed my wakalat in the counter today.
Learned counsel so-and-so submits that he has entered appearance for the respondent registry to print the name of so-and-so as appearing for the respondent. Let him withdraw it.
I don't have him. The only problem is, my lord, earlier days judgments is tickle with, my lord, today's present laws. The problem is, my lord, new trend of the laws is, my lord, ED and other laws, my lord. I can't bring. Please, that is what. Any breathing time, my lord.
Collateral relief select.
Yes, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Yes.
Sorry, ma'am.
So-and-so. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits 25 lakhs has been deposited before this court. The respondent is at liberty to withdraw the same.
Before this honorable court, 15 lakhs, earlier 10 lakhs, total 25.
25 lakhs is in total, 25 lakhs has been deposited, 15 before this court and 10 before the concerned court.
And already he has taken that amount.
10 he has already
taken before
the learned counsel for the petition further add that 10 lakhs that is deposited before the concerned court is already withdrawn. Therefore, the petitioner respondent is at liberty to withdraw the 15 lakhs that is in deposit before this court. Please.
My lord, the convention is of the year 2019, my lord.
I think
we have not realized yet.
In balance,
1,50,000.
1 crore.
1 crore 50 lakhs.
1 crore 50 lakhs, my lord. Kindly, in fact, the petitioner was absconding for more than 2 years. There was an order of NBW and FNW, my lord. No, if I may. No, my lord, if at all, my lord.
If I am going to jail, my lord, he will not get it.
If the petitioner seeks for equity, my lord, he wants more time to pay the amount. Let him pay the interest amount from the date of conviction, my lord. Only that would serve equity.
Finally, we will order.
The respondent.
Right. Yes. ಈಗ 25 ಲಕ್ಷ ಯಾವಾಗ?
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 8 weeks ಅಲ್ಲಿ. At least, my lord, 25 lakhs.
Sir, in a glass house, sir.
Please, my lord. What my lord will pass the order, I will obey.
I'll list on 25th. You pay another 25 lakhs by
25th, my lord. Only hardly 10 days, my lord. Other 3 days. 3 days, Raja.
List the matter on 30th September. The petitioner shall deposit another 25 lakhs.
20 lakhs, my lord.
20 lakhs before this court on or before the said date. Please, subject to the aforesaid condition, the interim order stands extended.
Deeply.
Great.
ಹಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ತಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ.
I may be, the petitioner may be directed to serve the copy of the petition on me, my lord.
My lord, everything is.
ದುಡ್ಡೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದೇ ಟೋನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಎರಡೆರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Yes.
I'm great.
That is 7A, my lords.
Passover.
7A.
ಅದ್ರ ಇವತ್ತು 7A D ಏನ?
ಎರಡೂ ಇದೆ, my lords.
Both the batches. Then 7A we will hear it on 20th.
My lords, the protection.
DA batch is not there. The DA batch is not there.
ಇವತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಅದು?
ಇದೆ. DA batch ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಅಲ್ಲ, DA batch ಅಲ್ಲಿ batch
ಅಲ್ಲ ಶುರು ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ I have said day to day we will hear ಅಂತ.
And
ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. So we wanted to say that it is not there today. But ಎರಡು ಇದೆ ನನ್ನ list.
7A ಎಲ್ಲ 20th ತಗೊಂಬೋಣ.
20th, my lords, the protection which is given in all.
Whatever protection is there, that will continue. ಅದು ಕೇಳಿ individual ಕೇಳಿ.
Not
whatever is there.
Yes, my lords, not to fight the final.
Whatever is there. Yes. Please. ಅದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ 20th act. I thought 7A was there today.
The disproportionate matters ಅಲ್ಲಿ only one of the matters has come, but anyway we are on the legal submission, my lord.
You
We
make
can
the
always,
submission.
yes, my lords, we can always.
That is your matter, right?
One my matter is there.
Then that is enough. Yes. Yes, next.
I appear for the petition, my lords.
Yes, Jesham.
My lords, a matter where the trial court, my lords, has rejected default bail.
Why?
Lords, kindly take, my lords.
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Charge sheet is filed against A1. A very flying reference, my lords, is made against A2. A2 is before your lordships. 27/10/2023, my lords, charge sheet is filed. On 16/5/2024, I am produced before the magistrate on body warrant. 90 days passes. My lords, I would rely upon your lordship's judgment in Parthsarathi. My lords, I would say I am produced on body warrant and 167 applies to me. On 13/8/2024, my lords, the 90 days would expire. On 17/8, my lords, I would file an application. In fact, my lords may kindly take page 26 of my petition.
Yes.
This is the reasoning, my lords, that is given by the learned magistrate.
Charge sheet ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Illa. Para 14-15, my lords may kindly see. Counsel for the accused has brought to the notice of the court column number 17 of the charge sheet, in which it has been clearly mentioned that the charge sheet against other accused would be filed after the completion of investigation. The investigation portion of column number 17 reads thus. ಪ್ರಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡನೇ ಆರೋಪಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇತರೆ ಸಹಚರರು ತಲೆಮರೆಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಪತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ತನಿಖೆ
ಆಗುವುದು.
No, your lordship. Lordship, please see the page number 149. The order sheet of the trial court. So the charge sheet was filed against accused number 1 and accused number 2. Of course, you are absconding.
You are in custody now.
Please.
So the court, accused number 1 was produced. Our court takes a cognizance of the charge sheet.
395.
How?
Court takes a cognizance of the charge sheet. Accused number 1 was produced. For accused number 2, court issues summons on 27/9.
Where was he?
I was in another.
Summons has been issued. He was absconding. Summons has been issued. Since the charge sheet was filed, court issues a summons to him.
No, I was in.
Bail was granted.
In this matter.
No, in which case were you absconding? In this case only.
In this case.
No, they show me to be absconding, but I was in judicial custody pertaining
Which
to
case?
It is in Salem, my lords, Tamil Nadu.
So again,
Well, body warrant issue on.
Howdo? On
You
16.
are bought on body warrant
Yes,
here.
yes. 16/5/2024.
Obviously is there.
correct. No,
then?
you obtain a body warrant subsequently. He was taken to custody.
No, sir, body warrant would not mean that it is,
No, it is body warrant. We cannot detain him in body warrant, my lord. His
Yes.
contention is 167 bail has to be granted to him. No, he is not entitled.
167 bail. You've seen this order of mine?
No, I've seen that, my lord. Because
Parthsarathi.
yes, my lord. Because
Yes.
once the whether you are on body warrant or not body warrant, if the charge sheet is not filed within the time period,
His
it has to-
liberty is retained, definitely is under arrest.
But in this case, my lord, the charge sheet was filed against him. If that's the case, my lord, charge sheet was not filed. And
No, charge sheet against him is not filed today.
court take cognizance, issued summons.
Elli the charge sheet.
Your lordship may see charge sheet.
Charge sheet, your lordships would get it at column 17 at
Page 40.
Page 57.
57 ಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Page 48, my lord.
48.
Yes, my lord.
That is accused A2.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
He is accused A2. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇವರು
Yes, sir.
My lords, a passing reference is made. Thereafter, my lords, they would also say, my lords, kindly
Not
take.
passing reference.
Sorry, my lord.
ಪ್ರಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೂ ಇದೆ.
therefore my lord trial court rightly issue summons.
My lords, because they say that, my lords, I would file an application under 439 before the Court of Sessions. Kindly see, my lords, what is the stand that they take before the Court of
Bail
Sessions? Well, they say that.
Direct the court to consider your bail application.
Kindly see, my lords.
Default bail, you are not entitled.
Default, certainly, my lords. I'll just take your lordships to
Yes.
page number 185, my lords. 185. My lords, para 9, 184, sorry, my lords. 184, para 9. It is the case of the prosecution. This is the reasonings, my lord, that is given by the Sessions Court.
For what?
Under 439. I applied under
All right.
439. It is the case of the prosecution and the shuru ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. The last, I'm sorry, in 185, in the middle portion, accused number 1 was secured on 9/8/2023 with 1.5 lakhs.
Accused number 2.
I am accused number 2.
Yes.
After completion of the investigation, charge sheet has been filed against accused number 1 only by showing abscondence of accused number 2. Other culprits by mentioning that a separate charge sheet will be filed against accused number 2 petitioner and other culprits. My lords, that is the stand that the prosecution, my lords, would take when I file an application under 439 before the Court of Sessions. Subsequently also, my lords, that is one of the reasons why, again,
I will clarify. You seek bail.
my lords, there is nothing in this
You
charge sheet
seek
file.
bail, sir. Interim bail, you are not entitled to.
May I take your lord-
Default bail or interim bail, you are not entitled.
May I just pass on one judgment, please?
Please, sir. Hmm. Huh.
My lords, the latest judgment of, my lords, of the Honorable
sir.
Supreme Court,
Yes, sir.
para 2, my lords. The concerns which have arisen during the course of the hearing, the present appeals have particular significance for meeting the ends of criminal justice and relate to the nature of charge sheets filed in some jurisdiction by the state police. For sake of convenience, we would divide the judgment into 2 parts. The first part relates to the legal issue, that is the contents of the charge sheet in terms of section 173(2) of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Now, my lords, I'll take your lordships to para 13. The question of the required details being complete must be understood in a way which gives effect to the true intent of the charge sheet under section 173(2) of the code. The requirement of further evidence or supplementary charge sheet as referred under 173(8) of the code is to make additions to a complete charge sheet and not to make up or reparate for a charge sheet which does not fulfill the requirements of 173(2) of the code. The charge sheet is complete when it refers to materials and evidence sufficient to take cognizance and for the trial. The nature and standard of evidence to be elucidated in a charge sheet should prima facie show that an offense is established if the material and evidence is proven. The charge sheet is complete where a case is not exclusively dependent on further evidence. The trial can proceed on the basis of evidence and materials placed on record with the charge sheet. This standard is not overly technical or foolproof, but a pragmatic balance to protect the innocent from harassment due to the delay as well as prolonged incarceration and yet not curtail the right of prosecution to forward. My lords, now they seek test identification parade of the accused number 2. My lords, recently in August. Until then, my lords, my identity itself is not known. I don't know what is the odds, my lords, that they have got to say that I am the very accused number 2. They do not conduct test identification parade at all. There is nothing other than, my lords, the state.
Seek regular bails.
My lords, this is not a.
According to me, page 57.
Please, my lords.
Accused number 2. It is completely there. And ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಇನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ?
ಇನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ
He is taking advantage of that now.
ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್
ಮತ್ತೆ accused number 2 ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ why did you want to write?
They also named him. They should have, since they shouldn't have
Yes.
they should have.
Why did you want to write that?
Lords, not only of that.
Oh, sir.
They go before the sessions court.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, my lords.
You are accused number 2.
Please, my lords.
So wait. ಆರೋಪಿತನು ಆಸಿಫ್, that is you, right?
Yes,
You are named also.
Yes.
ಆರೋಪಿತನು ಆಸಿಫ್ ಬಿನ್ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ 10 ರಿಂದ 14 ಜನ ಸಹಚರರು ಕಾರುಗಳನ್ನು ಸೇರಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 2 ಚಾಲನೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಕಾರನ್ನು ತಡೆದು ಅಡ್ಡಗಟ್ಟಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಸುತ್ತಿಕೊಂಡು 2 and 3 ಪಿಸ್ತೂಲ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಕೈಗಳಿಂದ ಹೊಡೆದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಸ್ವರೂಪದ ಗಾಯ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲದೆ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 2 ಮತ್ತು 3 ಆರೋಪಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾಗಿ ಕಾರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಅಪಹರಿಸಿ ಅಕ್ರಮ ಬಂಧನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 2 ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಬೇಕು ಸರ್? Anything else you want?
My humble submission, my lords, is this. My lords, this is
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ why did you want to refer that ಇನ್ನು further ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ?
For other people are absconding.
Other people are absconding. Why did you show him as absconding? You have already narrated everything. Take regular bail, sir.
May I make one submission, my lords? Now, my lords, it is only dependent on the voluntary statement of accused number 1. Going by, my lords, the judgment I cited now, my lords, it is not at all a complete charge sheet. It cannot be considered to.
You are not entitled to interim bail. There are clear observations.
Default bail.
Passing reference, default bail, sorry. Default bail you are not entitled to at all. Seek regular bail. With these horrendous acts, I will not, sir.
My lords, I'm not on the merits, my lords. It is
default bail, there is no ground. You are not on the merits, all right. You are seeking default bail. Charge sheet is filed naming you completely. There is nothing left in the charge sheet to be filed. ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಕಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ.
My lords, they themselves make a
Sir,
statement.
The offense is 341, 395, 368 clearly met.
My lords, my identity itself is questionable. They have not at all considered, kindly
Not
see,
a default bails.
kindly see the impugned order itself, my lords. My lords, kindly take page 26 for a moment.
You seek regular bail. Why are you fighting shy of seeking regular bail?
My lords, it's a matter of right, my lords, my fundamental right, my lords, because it is not a complete charge sheet. My lords, they just make a passing reference based on the voluntary statement of accused number 1. There is no independent evidence.
Which is that incomplete charge sheet entitles you to default bail. Kudi.
In fact, my lord, one of the case.
Kudi, sir.
I'll file a compilation, my lords.
First of all, it is not incomplete. We will answer all that.
Well, incomplete, my lords, in the lines of the Supreme Court judgment in Sharif Ahmad, which I passed on now, because, my lords, trial cannot proceed. My
That
lords,
is how a charge sheet should be, is what is said. Either an incomplete charge sheet will entitle you for grant of a default bail.
My lords, latest on the point, my lords, is Kapil Vadwan. Kapil Vadwan is there. My lords, in fact, what happens is the trial court, my lords, would rely upon Dinesh Dalmia and Kapil Vadwan to say that a charge sheet is filed. But however, Dinesh Dalmia and Kapil Vadwan are not applicable to me because I can distinguish them on facts.
Which is applicable to Yathkodi, sir?
My lords, this is the one, my lords. This is
That
Sharif
is how
Ahmad.
a charge sheet should be.
It is kindly see, my lords.
See,
Para
you are
13.
wanting me to draw inference from this judgment, which was concerning the contents of the charge sheet, how it should be, to a case where a default bail is sought, saying that incomplete charge sheet is filed. I'm asking you a straight question. Incomplete charge sheet.
It is referred to a larger bench.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡಿ?
Ide, Hanif Ansari. My lords, may kindly take page 68 of my compilation.
ಕೊಡಿ, we'll see. Yes, go through this and come. Wednesday, fresh matters list. Yes. Should I say pendency of this petition will not come in the way if you are seeking regular bail?
I would want to pursue this. Anyway, it is on Wednesday. I'll pursue this.
Yes.
Great.
Appear for petition. The offences of 420, 448, 323, 354, 339, 506, 516.
You are accused?
Accused number 1 and 2, my lord. Lord, the petitioners and the complainant's husband, my lord, enters into a joint development agreement, my lord. After the completion of the project, my lord, all the properties, all the flats are sold, my lord. One of the property was sold to Mr. Lieutenant Colonel Pawan Kalanki, my lord. My lord, the complainant's husband, my lord, constantly interferes with the position of the
ECR reference.
Investigation papers found.
Yes.
Wednesday, fresh matters list. The learned additional SPP is directed to secure the investigation papers and place it before the court. 354 is the offense. Wait, yes.
Madam.
How about this? Notebook. I have not issued notice to the complainant still. Yes. Yes, madam. Bila.
Yes. Special order. 224, 326, 307. Charge sheet is already filed. There is no question of accused interfering with the.
Seek bail before the bail court. Oh, not disabled. Correct. Yes.
My lordship, last time I have submitted, my lord, there are 5 eyewitnesses, my lordship, and in the 5 injuries have caused, my lordship. In that 3 are grievous injury.
ಈಗ ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ bail ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
Sole accused.
Sole accused.
Custody for more than 5 months now.
That's because of your act, not because of something else.
Now, charge sheet is filed. There is no question of him interfering or meddling with the investigation. Why he is not at all required.
No, sometimes requirement may not be there, but your being inside may be required. ಎಲ್ಲ grievous ಅಲ್ಲ?
3 are grievous injury. 3 grievous. He is
Will grant. Yes, we'll upload the operative portion, but detailed order will come on Wednesday. ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
load ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಲೋಡ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಎಸ್
This matter is 77 together.
ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಟ್ 77 then. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತರೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಇದನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳೋಣ. ಎಸ್ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
Lord, sir. The case wherein, my lord, the FIR has filed for non-payment of rent. The parties have settled and they have annexed the settlement agreement also.
But one additional SPP, two emergent notice. There shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings, square the petitioners till the next date of hearing. Next.
Obliged. Your copy. Alleged offences are 109, 376 and 420. The respondent number 2 and accused number 1 were in relationship for 3 years. The efforts to marriage were also made, but they couldn't get married.
How do you demonstrate efforts?
The complaint, type copy of complaint. Is that page number 20?
Yes, government.
Now,
31/12/2021 ಮದುವೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ಅವರನ್ನು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ದಿ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ಸ್ ಒಬ್ರೇನಾ? The petitioners accused 1, 2, 3 are knocking at the doors of this court, calling in question proceedings in CC 21186 of 2024 registered for offences so and so. A perusal at the complaint or the summary of the charge sheet would indicate a relationship, physical as well, between the accused number 1 and the complainant. The relationship was taken up to the talks of marriage between the two, and owing to certain dispute that arose between the two, between the families of the accused number 1 and the complainant, marriage could not take place. Therefore, the offense of rape is now alleged against the first petitioner and other offences against the father and mother of the accused number 1. In the accused number 1, mother and sister of accused number 1. The prima facie, the acts between the two being consensual and the talks of marriage also emerging from the said relationship, permitting further proceedings would run foul of the judgment of the apex court in the case of Naeem Ahmad versus so-and-so 2023 SCC online SC page 89. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings square these petitioners till the next date of hearing. 1 HCG additional SPP, 2 emergent notice.
For the petition. But there's a case where, my lord, an MOU was entered into between the second respondent and the first petitioner. The second petitioner has no role to play. Now, my lord, certain amounts were to be given. I have repaid certain amounts of money that has also been admitted in the complaint. No, my lord, there is some balance amount of about 1 crore and odd rupees which I have to pay. Of course, I have agreed, I have sent emails to them, my lord. I can produce the email correspondence also to the effect.
The petitioner, where is the email correspondence? The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is ready and willing to return the amount of 1 crore.
1 crore.
Petitioners are.
Petitioners also. First petitioner. Second petitioner has got nothing to do with this.
All right. First petitioner.
First petitioner.
Ready and willing to so and so. The submission is placed on record. It is a submission that an electronic mail is also communicated to the complainant, undertaking that they would return the entire amount. When?
My lord, we had undertaken to return it by around July, my lord. Adu aglilla. Then we had communications and saying that telephonic communications saying solpa installmentally I will give it back.
Deposit some amount then.
Lord,
bona fides.
My lord, some time may be given, my lord. In fact, my lord, this could not have been acted upon by the police at all.
All right. July le ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಈಗ ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. It is not that I'll undertake. Kindly grant an order of stay because ಅಲ್ಲಿ recovery action ಗೆ initiate ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ police.
1 minute. The undertaking is placed on record. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings square these petitioners. Investigation, huh? investigation to query these petitioners till the next date of hearing, subject to the condition that deposit 25 lakhs?
But at least a month's time.
No, subject to the condition that the petitioners would deposit 25 lakhs on or before.
20 lakhs I'll deposit to show my bonus.
25 lakhs on or before the 14th of October 2024. List on 14th of October in the fresh matters list.
Please, notice to respond.
1 additional SPP, 2 emergent notice, returnable by 14th.
Please.
Yes, next.
This is the disproportionate case.
My lords, this is the only DA case listed. There is a batch along with it. That is why I said, my lords, the entire batch is not there. Very one the DA there. 7A full batch bandide.
ಸಾಕು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಇದು.
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. But we assume, my lords, that the batch is not there, so DA is not there today. There's only one DA case ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ 7A entire batch ಇದೆ.
7A ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
7A batch ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
7A ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Objections ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು. ರೆಡಿ
7A ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಂಪೈಲೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು.
But my lord, this we will continue. We have commenced, my lords. I was on the second aspect of.
ನೀವಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವತ್ತು.
My colleague was there.
Continue with this.
Pass over. Then we'll take it up at the end.
Any time.
4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Yes.
Obliged.
Next.
My lords, on that day, in 2 other matters, interim order was granted similar to what was granted in Prasanna's matter.
Suspension.
ಅದು reflect ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ order.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಹೌದು, that is not reflected, my lords.
ಈಗೇನು ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ?
One person, they're likely to suspend him now.
ಇವತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅದು?
ಹೌದು.
ಇವತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ?
Is there. I'll point out, my lords, at the time.
All right.
Lord, I am for the petitioner in the case. On 4th of this month, my lord, your lordship would grant me an interim order.
One moment, sir.
I request for a pass over.
Oh, woman cannot be called.
My lord, more than that, certain development has taken place on 4th of September
Just pass it
2024.
over, sir. Pass over.
My lord, I would like to make one submission.
Yes, sir.
On 4th of September 2024, your lordship would grant me the benefit of an interim order.
Yes.
Through that benefit, my lord, I was not required to appear before them.
Yes.
But subsequently, day before yesterday, my lord, he would issue a summons to me, despite the interim order which came to be passed by this court.
Why?
My lord, sir, it is a very, very serious matter. Let not the enforcement directorate take things for granted.
Leonard,
I shall file an application for contempt, initiation of contempt.
The Leonard
Grant me a week's time.
Senior Counsel, C.V. Nagesh, submits flying muddy. This court on 4/9/2024 had passed the following order. The Leonard Senior Counsel, C.V. Nagesh, submits, despite the grant of an interim order, the respondent enforcement directorate has again issued summons seeking appearance of
On 11/9.
On 11/9/2024, long after the grant of the interim order.
Requiring my presence before them on 19th.
Interim order, which directs the petitioner to appear before them on the 19th. This runs completely counter to the interim order so passed. Therefore, any precipitation, despite the interim order, would fringe on the borders of contempt. The respondent counsel to explain as to how a notice emerged, notwithstanding the interim order of stay granted on 4/9/2024. List the matter on next 19th in the fresh matters list.
19th, too many cases are there. 20th, man.
20th.
20th.
Yes,
Obliged.
20th. Chandrachud ಎಲ್ಲಿ? Oh, sanction.
Yes, my lord. Against the BESCOM officials, 5 accused.
But let him come. Pass over.
The interim order may kindly be ordered to be continued.
That is extended, sir. Yes.
Please.
Interim order
Okay.
subsisting. Cover. Next.
On behalf of the petitioner.
Thank you for responding. I move this matter. It's a maintenance case, your lordship.
Huh?
The respondent number 2 has been awarded an interim maintenance of 90,000 per month.
Okay.
It has been challenged by the petitioner, and your
Alright.
lordships have been pleased to stay that order.
Hmm.
Initially, a 5 lakhs of amount was deposited.
Hmm.
The order was passed on 13/7/23. And then both the parties were directed to produce the declaration of assets and liabilities.
Yes,
That has been produced, your lordship.
both of you.
Yes, your lordship. And now, after the 5 lakhs,
5 lakhs deposit ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
that has been withdrawn also.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
It's been 1 year
What
past.
are the arrears now?
15 lakhs as per that date, your lordship. And subsequent to that also, there has been no payment because the order is stayed. The lower court.
What is the order? 90,000.
90,000.
Pay 50% of that. Yes, till during the pendant 90 andre pay 50,000.
Lord, subject to what my lord said. Now the matter is set on 20th of September. The appeal, my lords, before the sessions court. My lords, I'll argue the matter there.
There.
Only. My lords, within a time frame, my lords, an order may be passed to
Disposal. But first arrears and clearance. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
5 lakhs, my lords, I had deposited.
No, total arrears ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
At the time when the petition was filed, I had deposited 5, my lords. Now, my lords, 14 is what would then be pending.
So we'll do one thing. I'll direct the concerned court to continue the matter once you deposit the entire amount.
My lords, I may be permitted 50%, my lords. To show my bona fides, I have the contention, my lords, that I had taken is that, my lords, she was married. Both of us were married, my lords. I had obtained a divorce. She claimed she had obtained.
We'll see. Then you deposit another 5 lakhs. I'll take it on the next date and direct conclusion.
Appellate court, my lords.
No, illé ಮಾಡಿ. Ill ಮಾಡಿ. Then I will direct the court to conclude the proceedings. So I'll take it on 27th.
27th, I'm not there, my lords. On the 30th, my lords.
30th.
30th, I should.
List on 30th in the fresh matters list. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing, subject to the condition that the petitioner would deposit another 5 lakhs before this court. Avattu I will direct maintenance to be continued.
Yes, your lordship. But 15th of September is last date for paying school fees, your lordship.
My lord, I have been paying school fees. That is disputed, my lord.
Learned counsel for the respondent submits that 15th of September is the last date for the payment of the school fee of the children. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
One daughter.
School fee of the child. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has paid, will always pay, and will pay the subject school fee also.
That there's no dispute.
School fee also, yes. List on the 30th.
Highly obliged.
That should be okay. Office objection ಏನು sir? ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ. Office objections to be complied with. In the event they stand complied, list on Wednesday in the fresh matters list. Next. Huh? No, yes. Last time ಬಂದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅದು compliance ಗೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Next. Vacating stay. ಯಾರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ? What's the offense?
342 and 343. Allegation is the police officer has kept the suspected in illegal detention for some time. Hence, the additional superintendent of police has conducted an inquiry. Based on that inquiry, FIR has been launched.
Really pass over.
Passed over by a week. List on 20th. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
So far as the
Office objection ಏನು?
report is there. In fact, the state has entered appearance for even respondent number 2.
Registry to delete the indication of police report awaited in respect of second respondent, as the state is said to have entered appearance for both the respondents. Yes. Yes. Office objections. Compounding. POCSO. 20th. In interim bail ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
Charges ಇದೆ ಅಂತ direction.
Yes, next. Satish Chandra.
Sorry, 34 minutes.
ಏನಿದೆ 13
Trap case.
Seven A.
7A. Successful trap.
20th is successful.
There is some orders, my lords, it is listed for orders.
Post immediately after service of notice upon the second respondent. Yes, next.
Deeply obliged.
Withdrawal. In terms of the memo, yes. Post immediately after service of notice upon the respondent.
The interim order may kindly be extended.
Yes,
my
sir. Interim order continue ಮಾಡಿ.
36.
For the petitioner, needful has been done, Manoj.
Land
Interim
council
order may be
submits
extended.
needful has been. ಇದು ಸುನಿಲ್ ಗವಾಸ್ಕರ.
Manoj.
Yes, needful has been done, office to verify. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. Next.
Grateful.
Yes.
Petitioner, Manoj.
7A.
7A.
Latif.
Is late.
20th.
Interim order may kindly be extended.
ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು? Yes, next. PF
I served copy of the, as per the argument, I served copy of the petition paper.
on the council.
Council.
The
It take notice to the respondent, but they had not appeared before this court, madam, service of notice.
138,
138.
ಕೊಡಿ. ಏನದು? Yes, list after 2 weeks, interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing. Next.
Number, the father name of the petitioner number 5 has been mentioned as Madali Gowda. However, it's, as a matter of fact, this is Maliga Gowda.
Office objections overruled. List on Wednesday in the fresh.
The matter has been settled, both parties are present.
Settled, ಏನದು?
498.
498. Respondent council ಯಾರು?
There is no respondent.
ಯಾರನ್ನ? Somebody should identify, sir.
One submission. They both are residing together for the past 1 year. The complaint was filed in the month.
Where is the settlement? At least where memorandum of settlement ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Joint affidavit.
I'm also filing a joint affidavit to that effect.
Then file an application seeking compounding along with that affidavit.
They may be given. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ 18th ಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ lower court.
ಆಯ್ತು. The petitioners, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the complainant and the respondent, petitioner accused are living together for the last 1 year. And further proceedings are continuing before the court for offense punishable under section 498A. In the light of the aforesaid circumstance, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings square this petitioner till the next date of hearing. I'll list it on 20th. Avattu application for compounding and get a counsel for the respondent. All right, yes. Next.
I represent petitioner.
Post immediately after service of.
I hold power for my lord, second respondent. I'll have it filed, my lord, that we commencing 23rd, my lord,
Yeah.
I'll also have the.
Learned counsel, so and so, undertakes to enter appearance. You filed already?
No, it's there, I'll have it filed.
Undertakes to enter appearance for the second respondent registry to print the name of so and so. List after 2 weeks, interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. Next.
Because for a date, my lord, I'll have the statement of objection.
No problem. File.
It's today, man.
Learned counsel submits needful has been done today, office to verify. Next.
Interim order.
Interim orders granted earliest and extended to the next date of hearing. Letter of extension. GMFC. This court on so and so had disposed the petition directing the concerned court to conclude the proceedings within an outer limit of 4 months from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. A communication is now sent by the concerned court seeking extension of time. Though the reasons indicated in the communication is far from being satisfactory, in the interest of justice, I deem it appropriate to grant 3 more months' time. 2 more months' time from today to conclude the proceedings. Ordered according. Ordered better. Next. Sampath, CBI.
My lord, appearing for petitioner, kindly pass over the matter.
Pass over FPF ಇದೆ. Why have you moved it?
My lord,
There is emergency?
yes, my
What
lord, we want
urgency?
interim order.
What urgency? You have not seen the file?
My lord, I'm not well versed with the facts of the case.
Have you seen the file? What? You should look into the file and come.
Yes.
Await service of notice. Yes. List on Wednesday in the fresh matters list. Yes. What is office objection? Steps FPF. Needful be done by then. Yes, next. 7A.
DA, my lord.
Huh? 13.
Maybe on another.
20th. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು 13 ಅಲ್ಲ 20th, yes. ಅದೇನಿದೆ ಅದು? Next.
So we'll do the meeting, my lord, 7 AM.
45 entry order ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಾ? Oh, statement A blank. Okay, yes, yes. List on 20th, along with the connected matters. Madam, ಇದು 13 ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಸ್. Yes, next.
So we'll do the needful minutes.
Council of the week's time to do the needful. Yes, next.
On 28 minutes.
And summons.
Speaker of memo is filed.
Synopsis.
Synopsis,
7A,
7A na? 7A, out, 20th, yes. Whatever order is there. All of other, yes. Same.
49 is also 7A.
Same.
Address left at the kindly through issue the notice through IO, my lord. To the respondent.
Yes, the respondent complainant be served through the investigating officer as the postal shara is returned as addressee left.
Yes, interim order.
By the next date of hearing, interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. 51, 7A na? 7A.
It's 7A. But there is no interim order in this, your lordship.
20th, yes.
ಇಲ್ಲ, they have filed 2 days before, your lordship.
ಇದು ಈ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಆಗಿರೋದಾ?
2 days before they are served.
Served? Filed long ago. Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ?
Directed not to file charge sheet.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Yes, 20th.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ R3 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ R1 and R2 my lord. So the clause is showing as R2, R3 and
R2 ಯಾರು?
R2 is the complainant.
The counsel for the petitioner, needful be done qua R2. The registry to delete the indication of steps to be taken qua R3. Yes. Next. Withdrawal. Memo ಹಾಕಿದಾರ? In terms of Silva. The counsel for the petitioner has moved the matter seeking to withdraw the same in the light and would submit that he be permitted to withdraw the petition. In the light of the said submission, the petition stands disposed as withdrawn. Next. Early hearing. Huh? Early hearing in month. 7A na 13?
7A, your lordship.
20th, yes. 20th, 7A na 20th. ಇವತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ?
Please, lordship.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನು ಅವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Yes.
The event adoption matter. What has happened is this morning, they issued something known as a support letter. I just passed it on.
And support letter, I had said support letter would not suffice.
If my learned friend, my lord, kindly read it, my lord, the last paragraph, my lord.
ಅದ್ಯಾಕೆ support letter?
My lord, it's stated as support letter. If your lordship may
I will
kindly see
clarify, give it.
please, the last 2 lines, my lord.
Clarify that, give it. It's all right, give it, yes. I'll clarify that it is
Please,
not a
my lord,
support
we
letter,
have-
it is an NOC. That's all right?
My lord, in fact, my lord, we have stated, if kindly see the, my lord, copy
Yes.
too.
1 minute, sir. The,
Lord, may one request, my lord,
My learned friends should understand, my lord, this is the first matter of its kind in the entire India.
Yes,
The-
that's
And
what-
we have some restrictions also, my lord. The first judgment of your lordship in the entire India, my lord. Therefore, we had taken little care and caution, my lord, when it was issued. My learned friend harps upon us,
No
my lord.
problem. I will clarify that it is
Please,
not a
my lord.
support letter, but an NOC.
Please, my lord. Your lordship.
And in the peculiar facts of this case.
Please, my lord.
That should suffice, sir. We can't go on and on in this. Yes. See, as he said, this was one-off situation and one-off order that is passed. There is no precedent, then again a matter would come up or not, we don't know. Yes,
They should have gone ahead and done it.
it's all right. Drop your ego, sir. It's all right. ನಾನೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? Then
Lord, I didn't want to say. The only thing is that now the information what I've received is these people are not in Uganda. I didn't want to open my mouth and say all these things before the court.
they may be in Rwanda. Yes. ಇದೆ ಫುಲ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ತಾನೇ ಇದು?
Please,
ಕ್ರಿಸ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. ಫುಲ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್. ಸಾರಿ. ಕ್ರಿಸ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. Okay, yes. This court had disposed the petition on 26 March 2024. An application is filed seeking certain direction on the score that the order is not complied with. The order reads as follows. Fullala. The operative portion of the order reads as follows. A direction was issued to grant a no objection certificate in accordance with law. In accordance with law appears to have generated certain correspondence between the petitioner and the Union of India. Finally, a letter is issued. A communication is issued on 13/9/2024. The communication reads as follows. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that it is a support letter which this court had directed not to be issued. The learned DSGI would clarify that it is not the title that is important. The recitals clearly indicate that it is a no objection that is granted. In that light, no objection. The submission of the learned DSGI stands to reason as the contents of the letter is what is important and the contents are towards issuance of a no objection and not the support letter. Mere title will not decide the letter. It will not decide and has not decided the letter. Therefore, I deem it appropriate to observe the said letter as a no objection issued by the Union of India and give a quietus to the matter. Yes.
Kara, the Central Adoption Resource Authority.
Kara, by the CARA. Respond number 1. Yes. Adu important. Yes.
The reason is this, my lord, he should not face any other problems now.
When you have him, it will be all right. Yes.
Not to get the gift card.
Yes, exactly.
Great.
I'm grateful for your lordship.
Great.
Yes.
I'm
yes.
sorry. I apologize, my lord. There was some delay.
That's all right. Yes.
Great. Great.
Ultimately, it is solved.
Great.
Please, great. Petitioner, my lord. The respondent is for respondent number 2, my lord. Vacating stay, my lord. I have not received the copy, my lord. Copy of vacating.
Copy kodi, sir.
Sir, through WhatsApp, I sir.
Through WhatsApp. Give a copy.
Please.
Yes. Learned counsel to the petitioner submits that is communicated the copy through WhatsApp. The petitioner is directed to serve a physical copy to the petitioner.
No. Respondent, he has not come in.
The respondent.
He has to serve copy. Interim order maybe.
No, my lord, one humble submission, my lord.
Nevidira.
55, my lord, please. 55, my lord. My lord, the instructing counsel has furnished the copy, my lord. If it was not furnished, I will ask him to furnish again, my lord. But my lord, this is a case, my lord, where several persons in about 10 crores of rupees is defrauded, my lords. This honorable court granted stay in respect of one petitioner, this petitioner, my lord. There are other accused persons also. Now, my lord, it's investment schemes. They say it says online trading, but investment schemes, my lord.
List on Wednesday. Copy kudi. Yes.
Please.
Next.
Even petitioner is also victim of that fraud, my lord. My name
The
is.
investigation can go on, my lords. Now itself.
If
We
you
do
are
not
the
know,
victim,
but
why is ನಿಮಗ್ stay ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ?
stay is only in respect of this petitioner, my lord.
It is clarified that the interim order is operating only against this petitioner, accused number 3. Investigation qua all the other accused shall continue. Yes.
Most grateful, my lords.
ಏನು 7 13 ಬರೀ 7 interim order ಇದೆಯಾ? 7A.
Trap.
Trap ಆ?
Fail ಆಗಿದೆ. Same set of arguments.
Same.
Same set of arguments. We may connect the matter with that.
ಅದ್ಯಾವ್ದು number?
Serial number 4.
Tag this petition along with serial number 4. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ?
20th.
Oh, it went before the other. Yes. Judgments ಕೊಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ.
I'll give another compilation.
Give it. List on 20. ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು ಇವಾಗೇನು? List on sir 2022 matter. 2 ವರ್ಷ entry ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮುಂದೆ
My
ನೋಡಿ.
lords have serial number 56 as further hearing on the same issue. ಅಲ್ಲಿನೂ failed trapping.
ಇದೇ 56.
List 2, my lords.
List 2.
List 2.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ವೇಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್.
Preparing for the petitioner, my lords. My lord, senior counsel is out of station.
Out of station. All right. Matter also out of station. List
Case of
after 2
7A, my
weeks.
lords.
Huh?
The case of 7A, my lords. It may be
You
connected
said
with
out
my-
of station.
Yes.
We'll send the case also out of station. List after vacation. Yes.
No, my lords. Maybe taken with 114, connected.
Pass over. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Senior out of station is.
ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Yes.
My lords, date may be given, my lords.
Pass over date.
Other connect ಮಾಡಿ.
It's passed over by 1 week. Yes. Next date ಕೊಡಿ. All right, next.
The petitioners, my lord.
CH mood ಯಾಕೆ madam?
My lord, this is a case of matter of case and counter case, my lord. Frames have been charged with regard to.
Charges have been framed.
Charges has been framed for 1, 2, 4, and 7, my lord. Seeking stay for the rest of the accused, my lord.
ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, my lord.
Respondent number 1, I will give instruction for this.
ಕೇಸ್ ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಯಾವ ಕೇಸ್?
For the respondent number 2.
ನೀವ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
No, I am for the respondent number 2 in this case. The complaint.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
Case and counter case is. It is on the same incident.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. Sir, 354.
Yes, in both cases.
We will stay against the women here. Yes. And then Leonard's counsel.
Other than Lord, there is 323, 324.
ಅಲ್ಲ 1 and 2 ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದು ನೋಡೋಣ ಆಮೇಲೆ. 323, 324 ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು?
ದೋಣೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದೋಣೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದೋಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ, there is an allegation, Lord, there are eyewitness to in both the cases.
No problem. You also challenge your case, sir. Yes. There shall be a learned counsel. List the matter after 2 weeks. There shall be an interim order of stay only in so far as accused number 4 to 8, 4 to 9 are concerned. As the primary offense alleged is the one punishable under section 354B, and the accused 4 to 8 are all women. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay where these petitioners till the next date of hearing. ನೀವು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Yes.
Please, your Lord. Appearing for response.
Vacating stay.
Please.
Yes, sir.
This is a
Procedural number 59. Yeah, for the petitioner, blood. On the last occasion, blood, your lordship said directed the bank to find out what action they had taken against A1, the principal debtor. Because, blood, I am the purchaser. There is a stay that your lordship has granted for me. What they have done, blood, without initiating any proceedings against the chief debtor, they have just filed a criminal case. And they have mortgaged, they have given loan of 11 crores for a property worth about 24 lakhs in 2014.
Your Lordship, issue.
You are appearing to the bank.
Please, Your Lord. Your issue involved in this case is this property had been mortgaged to the bank.
1 minute.
against me.
Vivek Reddy, sir, 1 minute.
This criminal case only.
It had been mortgaged to the bank. The vendors are the same who are parties to another different mortgage title deed, which is produced
That's
along
the
with
borrowers.
of the borrower.
Yes.
Now, question is why Surface Act and other proceedings have not been initiated? Account has not yet become NPA.
Borrowers.
They are regularly maintaining the account.
That's all right, but why against these people?
Because as at page number 100, your lordship will notice, they have deposited this by title deed. This property has been mortgaged to the bank. Why is the mortgage?
1 minute. It's mortgaged to the bank.
Please.
By whom?
By the borrowers.
By the borrower.
Yes, and it's a company.
Now 1 minute. By the borrower. And these are purchases from the hands of the borrower.
Party, the purchaser is also a party to the deposit of title deeds in a connected property. That is produced at page number 100, along with my statement.
So why have you not proceeded against the borrower?
No, the question is if they have not gone, they have fraudulently transferred the property.
Who has transferred?
The borrowers.
Why have you not initiated proceedings against the borrower? Accused number 1, avrena?
No, all of them together. A criminal case we have filed for forgery and using forged documents as genuine when it was mortgaged.
That is by the borrower.
Please, Your Lord. And he is also a part of it. Your Lordship, the issue
now
the seller.
No, that is in the first round. Not in 14 there was a. In 14 there was a first round of mortgage.
Vivek Reddy sir, ನೀವು VC ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Intermittent freezing ಆಗೋದು. Yes.
So what your Lordship will only see page 100 of my.
Right, we'll hear it. Heard the learned Senior Counsel Vivek Reddy appearing for the petitioner and the learned Senior Counsel Vivek Jowli appearing for the. I commit this mistake every time. Sorry. Yes. So and so. List the matter on 15th October. Yes.
Your Lordship, the banking is too long a period.
Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. Next, sir.
Serial number
I'll only hear it. Yes.
Please.
Okay, for petition 60.
Serial number 60, I am for the petitioner in the connected matter, my lords.
Date fixed for dictation, man.
Date
Yes.
fixed for dictation. We'll
Yes.
fix another date for dictation.
The
My
KFP
lord-
matter is a bona fide intention, they have prepared the.
Yes. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
One.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ connected matter ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು. List the matter in the second week of October. Interim order.
Date may be given, my lords.
In the light of the interim order subsisting in the ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿದೆ criminal petition?
6731.
Subsisting in 6731, there shall be so and so list in the third week of October. Yes, next.
May I please request for a date, my lords?
No, it will come, madam. Yes, next. Huh?
I also wanted us to remind my lords that the dictation, my lord, interim bail,
I've not yet made up my mind in that difficult. ನೆನ್ನೆನೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
the doubts of that.
Well, before beginning of that hearing, I'll
Please,
ask you those doubts. Yes.
grounds of arrest, mainly on the grounds.
Only grounds of arrest, yes.
ನಂದು ರೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ
4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ.
4 ಗಂಟೆ
7 20th, yes.
Hearing for the petitioner in this
If
case.
I request for one set of petition.
Copy ಕೊಡಿ.
We have served the copy. Last date of hearing.
Learned counsel with the petitioner to serve set of papers upon counsel B.B. Patil, if not already served. List on 20th. 7 ತಾನೆ ಇದು?
Please, Lordship, 7.
Next.
I'm appearing for petitioner.
Yes, sir.
My case to be transferred to the JJ board.
ಜೆ ಅವರು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಎಸ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ? This needs where's my judgment? have considered the latest, all the latest law and rendered one. ನಾನೇ ತರ್ತೀನಿ ಬಿಡಿ. Copy serve ಮಾಡಿ. We'll take it on 24th. Both list on 24th. Both matters. 7A.
Departmental inquiry exoneration, Your Lordship. Disproportionate departmental inquiry exoneration. Your Lordship had heard on that.
Exoneration. It is separate on the category.
Punit Sabarwal's judgment. We quoted.
Punit Sabharwal, I have distinguished that already.
It's based on income tax and this is PPA.
That was an income tax act.
Please.
Punit Sabharwal is not applicable to this. In another matter, I've already distinguished. ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿ. Yes, all these D matters also. Please. Yes, next. ನೆನ್ನೆ ಒಂದಿತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ಫರ್ದರ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 24th, I think I have posted those matters. We'll post it on that day itself. Please. Yes.
Appearing for the petition in this matter, my lords. The allegation against me is that I did not exercise due diligence at the time of incorporation of 4 companies. I'm a chartered accountant, and one Mr. Prasad approached me to incorporate 4 companies. I'm a CA. One Mr. Prasad approached me in Kalburgi to incorporate 4 companies. The allegation against me is that I did not look into the documents properly and incorporated those 4 companies.
What happened to the predicate offense?
Predicate offense is still pending, my lords.
No stay in that?
No stay in that, my lords. Cognizance has been taken only recently.
Now, why are you here?
I am here on the ground that, my lord, section 3 ingredients are not even applicable in this case.
Yes.
The word used is knowingly. Apart from saying that due diligence is not exercised by me, there is no other allegation against me.
Predicate offense, you are an accused?
I'm an accused under number 141 in the predicate offense.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, the word used in the section 3 is knowingly. I have no connection whatsoever with any of the prime accused in this matter.
Why are you an accused and for what offense?
In predicate offense, my lords, the section used is section 419, which is not even applicable to me. The allegation against me.
What is the charges framed? Charges framed?
Charges framed. Charge sheet is filed.
What is the charge against you? Good evening.
Page 1 to 16 is the relevant portion of the charge sheet in the predicate offense. The section used against me is 419, my lords.
Your accused number?
141. The relevant portion as against me is at page 12.
This is the same. All loan apps is registered madadena.
That I did not exercise due diligence. That is the only allegation against me, my lords. For which, my lords, disciplinary proceedings are on against me. But criminal charges cannot be framed against me for this reason.
What happened in the disciplinary proceedings?
My lords?
Disciplinary proceedings ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
Disciplinary proceedings is going on before the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India.
You have not got relief anywhere. How can you get in this?
That's a different proceeding. That's a different proceeding altogether. What happens in this case is, apart from saying that I have not exercised due diligence, there is no connection between me and the accused. The only money that I have received here is the professional fees of 10,000 rupees per company, 40,000 rupees, which is not attached under section.
Only 10,000 rupees.
Only 10,000 rupees. 40,000 bit madari enilla. And 40,000 is not even attached under section 5. Therefore, no connection with proceeds of crime at all.
4 fake companies, my lord. Out of
4 fake companies.
And he himself has admitted, my lord, he has not verified anything. Only on the basis, that is in page 126 of the petition, man.
126.
Please. Statement of accused number 10, that is the petitioner, Rahul Chilla.
These are Chinese companies, huh?
Please, my lord.
Huh?
60 companies, my lord, that too during the COVID period. They have given a small loan and charged exorbitant interest.
You get away with the predicate offense. I will not entertain a PMLA case unless predicate offense is in the predicate offense some relief is given to you.
The section 3 pins on proceeds of crime, in which in this case there is no connection between me and proceeds of crime, my lords. Apart from rendering professional service, there is no other.
All right. What is the other amount that is received? Any other amount?
Nil, my lords.
It has not come, my lord. Only the money is not a relevant factor, my lord.
No, proceeds of section 3 money ne.
Even 1 rupees. That's what, because he says only 10,000. So that is not the way. Because
How did you register for fake companies?
It is not a case of 4 fake companies.
Then what?
My lords,
All 4 are Chinese companies?
Please, madam.
the 4,
Solo scene.
I was not in the knowledge that they are
Yes,
Chinese
no.
companies. The
It's
directors,
mentioned there.
the directors whose details were furnished to me were all Indians. Subsequently, what happens, my lords, the modus operandi of those people is that once you incorporate the company, thereafter they undergo the changes. Apart from incorporating the company, I have no role to play. I am not the first
Yes.
director. I am not the first auditor
You
of the
should-
company.
Aditya, you should always challenge the predicate offense first.
The predicate offense came in only 2 weeks back.
Predicate offense challenge ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ this automatically will get stayed.
My lords, may kindly.
Advice should give.
My lords, now I am forced to take a bail in this case despite there being no role play on my side.
ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
But the ingredients are not even attracted in this case.
ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ. Yes. We'll post it in the 2nd week of October.
Lords, may kindly give a date.
ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು? The other one. Predicate offense ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. List on 15th October. Yes.
Okay.
ಏನ್ 13 7
7 trap.
20th. ಇದು ಅದೇನಾ?
Number 3, your lordship. Correspondent number 3, your lordship.
My lords, I'm appealing to the petitioner. I paid for short pass away. My lords, my senior is on his legs in another court.
25th, yes.
My lords, there's an urgency in the matter, my lords. I need an interim order.
Why?
My lords, the officer is threatening to file charge sheet today.
Hearing ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಾ?
ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಬೋತ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರು, ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು 28 ಮೇಲೆ 28 ಬರ್ಬೋದು. 28.
General order will pass in this.
It is already there.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Not to file charge.
ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ. Will pass that order. That individual common order ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. 7A ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು?
7A.
20th ಹಾಕಿ. Yes. Next. ಆರ್ಬಿಟಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
But that is the relief that you
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಜನರಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
67 ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಸ್. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್. ಹಾಂ.
7
ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 7.
ಬಹಳ ಇವೆ.
ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್.
34 matters ಇದೆ. ಅದು ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್. Other than batch, there is 34 matters. A batch of 113.
All because of that, the coordinate bench judgment.
Lords, we have argued, we have given our compilation in the coordinate bench, even in the DA matter as well, that irrespective of the fact, it should be considered as a preliminary inquiry, the fact that the permission was not taken before.
Let's see. There's so many petitions filed, 7. And even DA.
DA also, madam. The DA, there is another, sir.
And all common ground, 17 subclass 2.
17 subclass 2.
Individual cases where there is beyond limit, 17 subclass 2 also I'm not.
Lords, I would only request to say, my lords, that 17 subclass 2 is not got anything to do with the crime.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಇದೆ. ವೈಫ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡೋದು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ? ವೈ ಶುಡ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್? ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಅದು 100% ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 10% ಬರುತ್ತೆ. You should do it properly. In those glaring lacunae, I will interfere.
Please.
Otherwise, I will see.
Sure.
Because one I've already dismissed.
Please, madam.
Loans, Latif appear again.
Please, only one has come out.
Loans secured after. One I have allowed saying that statement be completely blank. Yes.
I am there.
You are there.
One I am.
Yes.
Obligation.
Lord, 7A. Lord, there is no interim order. So
20th again.
Lord, may I
May I take my lord to the complaint, my lord? May kindly see that, my lord. There is no interim order, that's what.
7A, na?
7A, my lord.
Discharge application is dismissed.
No problem. 7A. Not to file charge sheet illa idu.
Charge sheet has already filed, my lord.
Discharge
is already
application has
filed.
been dismissed.
Next 20th just. No interim order.
Interim order, my lord. May
No.
kindly come to the complaint, my lord.
No, no. Next.
7A, my lord.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, charge sheet
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 20th. ಅದು ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Much over.
71.
Please, my lord.
Two minutes. Withdrawing with liberty to file fresh petition.
71.2. All right. In terms of the memo.
In 71.1, I appear for the petitioner.
ಏನಿದು?
So this is in respect of the examination malpractice. Morarji Desai schools, residential school examination, please, my lord. Teacher's appointment, please, my lord.
We'll hear it at leisure. Yes. October 1st, second week ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
I prepared a compilation also, please, my lord. I'll
16th
serve a copy to the other side.
16th October. Yes.
Interim order is there, please, my lord.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, please, my lord.
Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Please, my lord.
ಕೇಸಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, yes, in all the 4 cases.
How is that interim order is there? Malpractice. answer ಕೊಡಿ.
Insofar as accused number 13 is concerned, please, my lord, except to the fact that a voluntary statement of A10 indicting accused number 13, my lord, there is nothing on the face of the record, please, my lord. On that score, please, my lord, this honorable court was pleased to grant the interim stay, please.
ಬೇರೆ ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವಾಲಂಟರಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ರ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಅದೇನಾ? ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. 16th. Yes.
Grateful, my lord.
Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. ಒಂದು ಬಿಟ್ರ? Yes.
Lordship, request for a petition copy, Lordship.
Then at counsel for the petitioner to serve.
7A, my lord. I'll serve a copy.
Serve on the counsel immediately.
Yes.
Yes. 20th.
20th.
Same order. 73 no ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್.
7A.
ಕಾಪಿ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Copy served, your lord. It is served.
All right. 20th.
7A, Lordship.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Appearing for the petitioner, my lords.
7A, 75.
Same.
My lords, interim order. Interim order.
Whatever order is there. Yes. Vijayan Swami.
Peace order.
Notice is not at order, please, my lord. It's a trap case, please, my lord. The investigation was conducted by the PI. Was not competent to file the charge sheet, please, my lord.
We'll see. Charge sheet ಆಗೋಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Charge sheet is filed, please, my lord.
20th ಹಾಕೋಣ. List on first time, huh?
Second time, please, my lord. Notice is yet to be ordered.
Counsel Shri B.B. Patil is directed to accept notice for the respondent petitioner to serve set of papers upon Counsel Shri B.B. Patil. 7A.
Copy is also served, please.
List on 20th. Yes, next.
Obliged.
76, I am the petitioner. For the respondent, my lord, here, my lord, this petitioner, my lord, does not have a locus standi to file the petition because it is represented by the state in the trial court, my lord.
I am the complainant, my lords, in the case. And an application had been filed on my behalf to recall the...
Petition is filed by SPP.
Recall what?
Recall the 311 application filed by, on behalf of me to produce 2 documents, my lord. That was rejected by the court by order dated 31/7. So that is why I filed the criminal petition to recall that order to permit me to produce those documents. No prejudice would be caused to the accused if that documents are produced, my lords. It is only for
Don't worry about locus. I will take care.
Let him produce, my lord. I have no objection.
Will allow it.
Yes, my lords. The petition maker.
You are for the accused.
I am for the accused. Certified copies.
Huh?
Certified copy produced, my lord.
And the court will take care. Don't worry. Yes. So copies would be certified copies. The petitioner is before this court calling in question an order dated 31/7/2024 passed by the concerned court rejecting an application filed by the state under section 311 of the CRPC. The petitioner is the complainant. A complaint comes to be registered by the petitioner ಯಾವತ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್?
Not the petitioner, but respondent, this Vayalakaval police.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಯಾರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು?
Register ಮಾಡಿರೋ Vayalakaval police.
You are not the complainant?
I am the complainant.
Where is the complaint, sir?
Complaint.
Register ಮಾಡೋದು police station. Yes. Where is the
My lords, I have not produced the complaint before this honorable court. The complaint is not produced. My lords. I can.
What is the offense?
Under 427, 488, 448 and 295.
Where do you get that?
At Annexure D, it's there, my lords.
Page?
Annexure D, page 26. It's the order sheet itself, remand application submitted by PS, Vayalakaval PS and so and so, under 127, 448, 295.
I get it here. The petitioner registers a complaint which on 7/7/2015, which becomes a crime in crime number 9 of 2015 for offense punishable under section 127, 448 and 295 of the IPC. The respondent, the second respondent is the accused. The issue in the list does not concern the merit of the matter. The state files an application before the concerned court seeking to produce certain documents through an application under section 311 of the CRPC. The accused objects to the same and the concerned court rejects, taking note of the objections of the accused. The rejection of the said application has driven the complainant to this court in the subject petition. The learned counsel appearing for the complainant submits that those documents were imperative to be marked. It is therefore the state had filed the application seeking, state had filed?
Yes.
State had filed the application seeking production of those.
For recall, application was filed for recall of PW1 to file, to produce these documents.
The application in 311 was filed seeking recall of PW1 for the purpose of production of the documents. Production of documents. In that light, the learned counsel submits that the concerned court ought to have allowed the application. The learned counsel appearing for the respondent accused would make a bleak attempt to contend that the petitioner has no locus to prefer the application under section 311, as the application preferred by the state comes to be rejected and not any application filed by the petitioner. The submission of the counsel for the accused stands repelled on the score that the petitioner is the complainant, and on his complaint the crime is registered and the state is prosecuting the case on his behalf. Therefore, it is the petitioner does have locus to present the subject petition. The learned counsel for the respondent accused would submit that he has no objection for production of those documents, except that they should be certified copies. The learned counsel for the petitioner would accept the same. In that light, the order dated so and so stands quashed. The application filed by the state is allowed. The concerned court shall permit recall of PW1. PW1.
I don't object to the production of document, my lord. Therefore, the document may be taken on record.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ತಿರ್ಗಾ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸೆಂಟ್
document, mere marking of document will not amount to its proof. He has to prove it.
So another is also by consent, my lord, it may be marked.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು. So and so. The concerned court shall permit recall of PW1 for the purpose that it is sought for in the application, and regulate its procedure thereafter. It is made clear the issue is of the year 2015. No further application shall be entertained at the hands of the. ನೀವು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ನಾರು?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ಕೇಸ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್.
One correction, Swami. I had in the typed copy, there's a typographical error. It's not under 127. The previous page 25, it is 427.
It can't be 120. 427, 447. Yes.
440.
Yes.
That's the.
So and so. Regulate its procedure. It is made clear no further application shall be entertained in the case at hand as the issue pertains to the year 2015. Let the court conclude also. The concerned court is directed to conclude the proceedings within 8 weeks from the date of conclusion of the proceedings as directed here and above. Yes.
petitioner.
Ah.
This matter in seal number 23 matter. 23 matter. My lords, may kindly see the first information. Absolutely nothing as against the petitioner's matters. And in this case, my lord, all the offences are non-bailable.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, non-cognizable.
ಬೇಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದ್ರ ಈಗ?
The allegation is against third unknown person who is alleged to have been assaulted, not the petitioner. The NOC ಕೇಳಕ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಯಾರು ಅಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರ ಸರ್?
Third unknown person.
Who is an advocate here?
My lord, here, your lordship may kindly see the cost title, my lord. Unfortunately, such a senior person having such an excellent. Second petitioner, my lord.
Is an advocate?
Yes, my lord. Both are advocates. First petitioner, the junior colleague of the second petitioner.
Yes. Look at the allegations at page 30.
Not as against these petitioners. Against
You are accused number 1 and 2, sir.
Yes, my lord, sir. All the allegations against the third petitioner. And,
Third accused number 3.
Third accused, unknown person.
Why are you confused? Friday? Yes.
And verbatim complaint by another first informant in the page, say number 23.
All right.
Same incident, 2 complaints.
A perusal, I heard the land council also, petitioners are before. A perusal at the complaint would indicate that the allegations are against accused number 3. The present petitioners are advocates who have not indulged in any act, even according to the complaint. Kodi? Wound ಏನು? ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು?
ಇಬ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 2 ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಗೂ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಯಾರು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Third unknown person.
Third person with also a lawyer.
ಯಾಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ brought down to this?
It is not an unknown person for them.
He was a senior, he was in his own chambers members. And not even a allegation against these 2.
Unknown person.
Unknown person.
Assault is by an
Their own, working in their own office.
Junior colleague. There's an ex-junior colleague. And these 2
advocates indulging in assault wise.
But not the petitioners, madam. My humble submission is that there is no way involved. Bari ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ 2 ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ. Nothing as against them, especially the second petitioner.
ಬೇರೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Because they are not cooperating. Nobody, these people are close the place. We asked for a CCTV.
No, Mahacharal ಆಗಿದೆ.
Crime came to be registered.
Cooperate with the investigation. The petitioners shall cooperate with the investigation, and in the garb of investigation, the petitioners shall not be harassed or coercive action taken against them. Yes. 77 23 ಎರಡು ಅವತ್ತೆ.
Sir, is concerned, my lord. Sir, all non-cognizable. 174.
Non-cognizable.
174 is there, of course, akin to 155.
We'll see. List on tag the petitions also. Same order adರಲ್ಲಿ. Next. 7
Lordship.
All 3, huh?
My case 8 is
14. We'll have it on 15th October. So list on 15th.
For the petitioner, requested to serve set of petition.
3 ಏನ?
3-7. ಇಲ್ಲ, one set. 80 is DA, your lordship.
80?
DA, disproportionate of assets case.
ಆಯ್ತು, 2-7 ಕಾಪಿ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
I will serve notice to the R2, my lord.
Emergent notice to the second respondent.
My lord, kindly extend it.
List on 20th ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, next.
Interim order, my.
Same order will come.
Serial number 70 also, copy is not served.
79.
Copy serve ಮಾಡಿ.
Sir, I served the copies.
Yes, next.
70, my lord. Serial number 17.
18 20th.
Serial number 17, copy not served.
70.
70.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 70 copy to be served immediately. Yes, next. 120. Same order, whatever is there in other case.
List number 2, my lord. Serial number 27, my lord.
ಏನು?
My lord, time ಬೇಕು ಸಮಯ senior
lordship. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಸಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, 482 ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇದು. List number 2, serial number 20.
ಯಾವುದು?
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್
ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪಿಟಿಷನರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿಟಿಷನರ್ ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ?
ಎರಡಿದೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. We have filed an IA for vacating stay.
ನೋ
After.
ಮೇಲಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಕನಕಪುರ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಕನಕಪುರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದಾರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಇದು
ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಚಿಕ್ಕಪೇಟೆಗ?
ಅಣ್ಣ ಇದು ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣಕ್ಕ
ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಬರಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬುಧವಾರ.
ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಲೇಟೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ.
Oh sir, I am not granting. Yes. When there is objection, I am not granting. Are you new to this court?
ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Huh?
ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Objection ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ರೀಚ್ ಆದಾಗ ಕೇಳಿ. Yes.
Lordship on submission.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದ್ದು ಮೇಡಮ್? ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ.
Lordship.
I will direct the registry to communicate it to the jail authorities.
Lordship on submission, my lord.
Yes,
Lordship on submission. Lordship on submission. In this matter, all submissions are complied, my lord. Only one submission is
ಏನ್ ಯಾವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು?
Lordship, next week, Tuesday,
ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Wednesday.
Number 85, my
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಡ್ಜರ್ನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅಡ್ಜರ್ನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ.
Serial number 82,
Serial number 82 may be called along with 114. Solved.
82 along with one. Yaar 7 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
A7.
ಸತೀಶ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ.
ಸತೀಶ್ ದ ಅದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ.
Serial number 85, my lord.
Last 3 days, my lords, it's not reaching the scrutiny memo. ತಾವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. I moved in morning.
ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೆಮೊಗಳಿರ್ತವೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ? ಅದ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಾರ್ದಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಲ್ಲ. ಯು ನೋ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್? 4,000. What's to be done? Tell me. What's to be done? Can I take 600, 500 every day? Then what's? ಯಾವ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಮೆಮೊ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೂಟಿನಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Scrutiny ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಸರಿ, then it will come according to seniority. ನೀವು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ದು ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇದೆ. ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್. ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೂಟಿನಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday ಯಾವತ್ತಾರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ.